Hello? Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? I'm going to sneeze really loud. This is your Halloween scare. Get ready. You. And are you scared yet? And did you get scared? There's something something happens to me. The moment I start a stream, I have to sneeze. What's up with that? Do I have an allergic reaction to streaming? Many are saying yes, and many are saying keep doing it so you die. On it. Hi, Chad. It's Halloween. We're playing Repo. There was a brand new Repo update, so we're gonna play a Repo with people. I don't know how many people. At one point we had 6 people. Okay, we had 6 people tap in, and then that was like 2 weeks ago when we first set this up. And then I don't know if that amount of people are still coming. I think it's less. I guess it could be more. I don't know. I really don't, but we're going to see what happens. And I don't know what's in this update. But we'll see what happens. Oh, they're saying update, and I didn't update, so I gotta update. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I'm receiving news late. Hold on. Update. Update. Run. Update. Run. Anyways, hi chat. It's Halloween. Anyone kill anyone today, or what do you do on Halloween? Anyone? What is this? More head? Yes, please. Don't worry about it. My computer's just being hacked. Don't worry about it. This is part of the stream. I went to my job today. That was cool. You ever gone to a job before? We're playing Peak. I really don't know how many people are gonna be here. No, wrong one. Wrong repo. Correct repo. Okay. I'm gonna unmute it. I'm gonna stop the music and unmute it, and I'll just host and go from there. You know, I should probably communicate. Host if needed. Whoever wants to do it to it. Oh. Okay, they're already hosting, so they're just, I didn't get an invite, though. Raise eyebrow. Rain's already hosting it. And nobody invited me, so I am going to take that personally, and I am going to internalize that as a personal attack against me. Okay, now she invited me. Thank you. Hold on, before I get in. Hold on. Look at this sweatshirt. I just got this shit. I just got this today. Dude, it is, it's not even like, it's not printed on. It's, what do they call it when it's sewn on? This is like the comfiest piece of clothing I own now. I just got this in, and I'm already in love with it, which is why I'm gonna take it off. I'll model it again later. Oh shit! Oh my god, my nipples are out for free. Oh my god, my nipplies for free. I'm gonna wear my Dicky Peeper Halloween Creeper shirt. Guys, go check out Hubie Halloween on Netflix. That's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. This repo shit, this is a lie. I've tricked you. We're gonna be live streaming Hubie Halloween on Netflix for the next 72 hours straight. Exclusively Hubie Halloween content. Only Hubie Halloween content from this point forward. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
How's it going? How's it going? So I didn't know if you wanted to host or if you wanted me to, but I was like, at the very least, we can chill in the lobby and wait until.
Yeah, you're good. I mean,
message back.
It doesn't matter who hosts, so you're good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of mad I didn't get an invite like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, who normally takes an hour yapping at the start of their streams? And usually I'm just sitting here just like waiting and waiting and waiting.
Yeah,
so I was just waiting for you to be like, okay, I'm ready to play.
Now to be fair this time, I am 20 minutes late, but that's because my pizza was 5 minutes away for like 20 minutes. And I was like, well, I'll get the pizza and then I'll start. Wow,
the pizza.
Well,
what did pizza ever do in this situation? Nothing besides be delicious.
No, it was late.
Blaming the pizza.
Now, do I do like the green color because it's my favorite color? Or do I do orange because Paige?
Oh, see, that's why I do my favorite color also goes with my character. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if Paige ever puts down a scene, it's in like a teal color with black outline.
Yeah, do the green. If that's your favorite color, do that. Hi, Belly.
Oh no.
Do orange, it's fine. Other people do green.
Oh, you guys invited Pelly? Oh.
Okay, listen here. Listen here.
Oh.
I was watching Pelly play some Escape Simulator last night.
What do you mean? Pelly's like my favorite.
What?
What? I know that the big lobby mod doesn't work.
I think the big lobby, well, did we test the big lobby mod? I guess we didn't, but
no, because it has to be like 7 people, so
yeah, we don't have 7
I think
friends.
it was considering the fact that like technically there's 3 more people that could join.
Yeah, Lucas is definitely gonna join once he's done giving candy to kids.
Yeah. Kayla said that she'd be around for like I'm gonna hurt her. She said that she'll be home at 3:50, so she'll be home in about half an hour, and she might be able to play 2 rounds.
Okay, because I bullied her into it.
And then Mark, he's still at work, but he'll get on as soon as he's home.
Okay. And Kirby might be joining. I don't know what he's doing.
Okay.
Hold on. Are the dogs out and about?
What do you mean by that? Like, do I have my feet on stream right now, or what's?
I just.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't realize my husband was away from his computer, and the dogs just barged into the room, and I'm like, who the fuck let you run around?
Oh, okay. I thought you were asking me if I had like my bare feet on stream. Like, are the dogs out? Like,
Did you take off your feet?
for 5
Oh,
gifted
wait,
subs, they can be. I don't know. Only 5? Yeah, only 5. I'm cheap.
Whoa.
I'm cheap and easy.
So, okay, this is the question then. Is this everybody for the time being?
I think so.
It might be. Gavin, do you want to play Repo with us?
It'll be fantastic. Come on, Gavin. Tell us if we fucked up.
I got home from work yesterday and saw that Rain and Lucas were in a call together, and I was like, I'm investigating. I'm gonna snoop and see what's going on here. And then, like, I was like, these fuckers got on a call without me. Like, how dare they? And then when I booted up my PC, I saw that they were on Repo, and I'm like, oh, they're testing the mods before. What a couple of sweethearts! Oh my god.
Listen, we have a system now.
Game is launching. Are you launching the modded version with the mod code that we posted?
The only correct answer to that is yes.
He answered no.
Oh, awkward.
I don't think, Gavin, have you reacted? Okay, in the barcade backrooms, like, we have, if you react to what games you want to play, you get put in separate channels for them, so you know, like, what's going on. So if you react to the Repo one, then you'll see our thread about setting this up and the mod code and all that. So if you want to join, you could do that. He says go on without me.
It will take a little bit of time, like 10-15 minutes.
Well, that did for you because we had to download Thunderstore and stuff.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, I was thinking about how long it took me to download mine, and I think it took like a minute. Like, I don't.
We had to fully set him
Yeah,
up his new computer.
Okay.
The actual download part took like, yeah, a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, most people already have everything needed to set up. So am I starting then?
Oh, I just opened Pelly's whole Steam profile on stream. Just doxed him. Are we all good? Is Pelly good? He's muted.
Right.
Hang on, I'm selecting my cosmetics.
Oh shit!
Oh,
wait,
okay,
how do you
yeah,
do that?
Don't forget to do your cosmetics.
Oh my
down
god!
at the bottom, there's more
Oh
heads.
my god! Thank you, Pelly.
There's so many options.
Clown nose. All right, we're set. We're good.
I'm tempted to do a pig nose. Just because I think that'd be funny.
Wow, there's a lot of options.
Oh yeah, no, it's like stupid amount. Like a stupid amount.
But it doesn't like scroll properly. Like when I scroll,
yeah,
it does by pages.
If you drag the bar, it goes a little slower.
Oh, that's so much extra work, though. What does this mean?
I feel like I need to put something on top of my head. Like I need to have a hat of some sort.
Here's a pizza hat.
because everyone's doing pizza. I can have Goku hair.
Ooh.
The hell? Why are there so many Digimon options? What the hell is going on?
Listen, I just saw all the options. I was like, you know what? All of the options. The real reason that we have as many as we do is because originally, whenever I was looking into mods for Repo,
Yeah.
I was playing with Killa, and she's like, I want to be Sailor Moon. And I'm like, okay, we're going to figure out how to make you Sailor Moon. So that's why there's so many options.
Okay, all I need now is a bowler hat, and I'm set.
I think there is one. There's at least a top hat,
Okay.
which is close.
It is close. Derby hat. Oh my god. Okay, alright. Should I just spend tonight RPing as Beans the Clown?
Do it.
Maybe. Should I have the naked cat on my head?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm trying to... I think we're gonna try with this. Also, I'd like to point out that even though that there's the freaking Sailor Scouts that you can be, they only have Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Moon, and Venus, and that's upsetting because my favorite's Neptune. Just throwing that out there.
Which ones were the ones that were cousins?
Are you sure they were cousins?
Listen, that's
They were cousins in the American version.
yeah, in the dub. The dub in the 90s is like, wow. Like, knowing that is so funny. Like, I've never really watched Sailor Moon, but I saw an episode, like, maybe like 2-3 months back of the 90s dub, and it's like, oh, and the cousins are here, and they show up, like, holding hands, and it's like, But, you know,
Oh,
hey,
just
it's America, so...
In the 90s.
They should have just given both of them, like, really thick, like, Alabama accents, and then it would be fine if they're cousins.
Fair.
This is, like... I wish I knew it was this in depth. I would have started earlier.
Okay, sorry, that's my bad. I forgot because mine was already set.
Like, I think I'm pretty good. Oh
I'm
no!
excited to see what everyone looks like.
Oh, there's body stuff. Never mind. I got to figure out what my body looks like.
There's a bow tie, I think.
Yeah, I got the bow tie. I have everything I would want. The bowler hat isn't red. It's yellow though, so I'll take it.
I gotta pick and choose.
But I need something for my body. What? There is so much Digimon. What the hell?
I don't know why.
Also, at the very bottom, there's void options, so you can have like black eyes. Or missing a leg or something.
Thank you for making me aware that I could have sorted this by body part instead of I've just been scrolling through everything.
Yeah, hey, there's tabs at the bottom.
Yeah,
where
hey,
you can
thank you,
sort.
thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I was here for that.
Why is one of the head options is called Corey and it's just a zebra? I don't. This is cool.
I think that's from Hotline Miami.
Oh, okay.
I'm
okay.
sorry, I can have freaking Charmander on my shoulder. I love that. Or do I do Squirtle? I can have both of them. One on each shoulder.
Yeah, I kind of want to go through and turn on like every Pokemon and Digimon, and then you'll like always know where I'm at because there's 17 other animals following me around. Okay, there's no like clown face paint, which is fine. Lipstick. Oh. Oh, we're cooking now. Oh, we're cooking.
You got this. I believe in you.
Okay, yeah, Pelly, I think you're right, because there's also one called Richard is Back, and Richard, and it's just a chicken. So I think it is Hotline Miami stuff. I got really excited. I was like, Richard? My friend from R.P., Richard?
I don't even know where Richard's at.
Who knows?
He was supposed to be a work thing, and he was supposed to be back like after a month, and then he just didn't. Gavin said that he got the mods installed.
Okay. Okay, we'll add you. Hold on. Close. I'm gonna invite Gavin. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Whenever I click invite on Steam, Pelly is listed under favorites, and I don't remember ever doing that.
It worked. Sorry, that made me very happy.
Mine only has you listed under friends, I'm afraid.
Wow.
Sorry, Mike.
Wow. I see how it is. You know. It's okay. Okay, scrolling down like all the body parts, and it's like, okay, like, you know, like a Saiyan armor, like, okay, all right, and then I get to the bottom, and there is like Transformer Megatron, Transformer Optimus Prime, Transformer Shockwave, Transformer Starscream, Transformer like, I have never seen this level of dedication of putting cosmetic items in a game. Like, this is insane to me.
There's a lot.
And like, I guess if you told me like, yeah, there's a ton of cosmetic items modded into Repo, I'd be like, okay, like it's Zoomer stuff, like it's gonna be Five Nights at Freddy's or like Bendy. No, it's Digimon and Transformers. It's like, what?
It's great.
You're manager at Burger again, right? So you can hire me back.
Yep.
Okay.
I went and did that before this.
You know there's a... Sorry, go ahead. Next. Yeah, there's a bunch of apartments right around the corner from there right away now.
Oh, that's
They're really
cool.
nice.
Do you still have to go through a realtor?
Yes.
How much are they?
But, I believe it was $7,500 a month. For a 2-bedroom with a huge kitchen and living room.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We'll need that. I might do that then.
There are a bunch in Harmony too, but frickin' Lucy took them all.
Wait, he took them all?
He and like 3 of his friends got one and there's only 4. I'm like, y'all could have just lived together, dude. You didn't have to get them all.
So if you go to the world section, there is one just listed as Flintstone cart, and it's the Flintstones car, and it's the biggest fucking thing in the world.
Yeah.
Let me look at this.
You could have Gary from SpongeBob just follow you around. Sorry.
Why are there are more Digimon than there are Pokemon? What is going on? Godspeed to whatever Digimon fan meticulously like edited in all of their favorite Digimon to this game.
I'm sorry.
What?
Onyx. The Pokemon doesn't even fit on the screen.
Great. Do that in the Flintstones car. What happens if you turned on every single cosmetic item? You think the game would crash?
Probably. You probably
I'm gonna
wouldn't be able
find
to
out.
see.
Yeah.
No. No.
I feel like that's the end of the session, like end of the stream thing we got to do is everyone turn every cosmetic item on. Our GPUs just
go home.
fucking explode.
I'll let you be the one to test it out.
Okay, all right. All right, I think I'm officially done. I'm officially ready.
Okay. Is everybody else ready?
Yes.
Yeah, it can be.
I am good to go.
Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Okay, I'm gonna start it then.
Yeah, no one's speaking. Who said that?
Boobs.
A penny for your thoughts? No, but seriously, thank you.
Pause obst cheered X15.
Pause ops, thank you for the 15 bits. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks for the bits.
Oh, you can hear me? Uh-oh, hot miking.
That's embarrassing.
I can't believe when I played RP on like Sunday or whatever, like I called whatever Killa's character was, like I said Killa, and then I I felt my like blood pressure drop when I did that. I was like, come on.
Okay, that scared me. I thought I was gonna
Oh
crash.
wow, we're all ugly as hell, huh?
What do you mean?
Why do you actually kind of look like Pete?
I think I nailed it. I think I did a good job. Couldn't get the suit, so I gave him little short shorts and chest hair.
Fucking cigar in your mouth. All right.
We look like we just like raided a Spirit Halloween, but none of us could get a full costume together. Like
Well, it's
we like
Halloween, so you know there wasn't enough left on the shelf. We just
Yeah,
had to make do. Are you wearing Patrick's? You're wearing
yeah.
Patrick's.
I need little
love that.
short
All
shorts.
right.
Yeah, it's like
All
we
the
raided.
cosmetics in the game, and
Yeah.
I mean, one of us is going to have to change. We got two Kerfuses.
Do we? Wait, I don't see Kerfus.
Hello.
I don't remember how to play this game.
Just pick it up.
Oh yeah, the card.
Yeah, you can take the cart. Oh wait, there's something up there.
Who's this guy? Bob Dylan?
Yeah, I have it.
Still number 2 on the bit leaderboard. You gotta go for number 1, I think.
Wait, stop moving the cart. Stop moving the cart.
Is this a giant pork missile?
Yes.
Oh. I'd buy that for $1. No, but seriously, thank you.
Pause obst cheered X610 back on top.
All right, welcome to the top of the leaderboard, Pause Ops. Thank you for the 610 more bits. I really do appreciate it. What'd you find?
You can like hold the cart and move it.
Hey, how do I do the like roll attack?
Q? Yeah, Q.
Thank you.
Yo, Sploinky Dinky, thank you for the 500 gift subs. That's rad as hell.
You're making fun of me, and I don't appreciate that. Hey, what do you think happens if we like touch the tripwire?
I mean, it's probably gonna like hurt you, so I don't know if you should do that. Don't do that. Don't do it! I'm sorry, it was really aggressive. I really don't want you to like burn yourself. Don't.
Whoops. Oh, fuck out. Why'd you tell me that was gonna do that, dude? What the hell?
Why'd you touch the laser?
Why'd you tell me to touch the laser?
Because I thought it'd be funny, if I'm being honest, and it kind of was.
Oh,
what
shit.
the hell,
Oh,
dude? That's minus $3,000.
I didn't. Pelly, no joke. I did not know that this artwork is what we're supposed to be getting. I thought this is just random props. I've been running around smacking into these the whole level so far. Oh, but I got upgrades.
Oh, what you got there? You got like a little trike? That's cool.
Oh.
What does that do?
Can you ride it?
Oh, no, I have no idea. I think this is actually like a ghost or some shit.
Oh. I thought you were just showing us your cool tricycle.
Yeah, I think that followed me from the other people are getting attacked, but you know.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh, hey, Bulbasaur.
How's it going?
Yeah. That trike's a little spooky.
Oh my god.
See, I was right.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, yeah, the little ghost girl just took him.
Hello.
Damn. What a way to go.
They're scary things.
What is that?
You're short now.
Ew.
Yeah, because they're scary things.
Oh, I'm short too. Oh.
No. Bad. Oh. Friend? Oh, you dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh, this is a corpse. I'll just put you in the car.
Oh, there it is. Damn, it's already full? Who's this?
I don't know. They dead, though. I think it's Lauren. I have to remember what colors are what people, because I can't see names. Dude, power strip. That's worth like $10. Oh.
I can't fall.
I got this.
Dan, like Lethal
There
Company?
we
I
go.
don't think so.
Hey, we got big treasure coming in.
There's a big ass discus.
Yeah, this is the this is Beatles Anthology 4. We got it early. Oh wait, which way's the door? This way?
We don't have room. This thing keeps like falling out of the damn cart.
Should we try
The
and put
baby?
this in the cart, or should we take this to the extraction point?
I mean,
We
that's
should
worth a
probably take
lot
it to the
more.
extraction, but we should definitely put it outside the extraction.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's right. When you put it in, it activates. That's right. Oh, oops. Go for it. Excuse us. Oh, can't.
Pardon.
We can't get it through this way, I think. Oh, a corpse. There we go. Nice and safe. Yeah, I think we... Hold on. I'll bring the cart. We gotta go around the pork missile with the cart. So we'll go this way with this. Oh, fuck you! Oh, my ass! Stop! Stop, or you're grounded! You know what, Rain? I'm actually surprised you're dead. Famous final
you.
girl is dead early. That's crazy.
Because I was hiding in a corner watching Goofball
Okay, we got a
run
little bit
around
more
with the
room.
monster.
Ew, it's freaking out again. What is it doing?
Oh, you can possess your corpse and like spectate from your corpse.
Uh-huh.
That's cool. I don't think that was a feature before.
No. It's I think they said it's called haunting. So it might be like a mod.
Okay.
Hello. Wait, is there another one back here? Yeah, there is. Who's still around? Who wants to help me carry the zebra?
I think that's a horse.
Ew, this one's doing it too. Uh-oh. If that thing activates, I'm gonna have to just shove the card in, because I don't know if anyone else is...
Never watched this game before, and I have to say it's what the heck. Yeah, welcome to Repo. It's, you know, it's a Lethal Company-like, but it's got its own unique flavor in a way that I really appreciate. I gotta grab a fork.
Oh, look, it's like a big cuddle puddle.
Already.
Oh, man. You guys being stalked by a tricycle? Yeah, evil tricycle? As all tricycles are.
It's too heavy, I can't get that with one person. You know where the last one is? We still got... I only counted 4 heads.
No, I have no idea.
I thought we had 7 people.
We do. Well, who do we have? Because that'll tell me.
Did
where
they
to
find
look,
my corpse?
I think.
Racism against tricycles. I think I can be
Here, you wanna try
bigoted
to help me
against
get the zebra?
tricycles. I think I can get away with that and still run for political office.
It might be too heavy. Yeah, I think it's too heavy.
Can people join mid-game?
We can find out.
Okay.
Where'd all the enemies go?
'Cause somebody's
Are we just
pulling
pulling
into
it?
their driveway.
I think so. I think it'll be easiest.
Why do you know that? Why do you know
Not
when she's
$400.
pulling
It took
into
so
her
much
driveway?
value.
Because she's in my chat and she goes pulling into my driveway. I'm almost
That's right.
ready.
I forgot that Killa
Honestly, it's
watches
just a
your
bonus if we
stream
get it
while
there. If we
driving
can get it in
and
there.
chats while
It's getting
driving.
wedged,
I
though.
forgot.
Aim for the head. Let's try and
Peak driver.
pick it up there.
To be fair, normally she does flirt.
Come on!
Normally. You can do much more and run for a political office now. They buffed it. You know what? Fair.
It's still
It's
got
still worth
20,000.
20 grand.
Yeah.
It's still worth 16
The voting
grand.
public could do a lot worse than me, and they have.
It's still worth 12 grand. I don't know. Maybe we just get this in there and get everyone back, because I don't know where the last person is. What is that? What the hell? They're speaking. That scares me. Ah! What do you... Get back into... Where are you going? I gotta babysit the damn corpses now? Tommy? Where'd Tommy go?
How do you type?
T.
T.
Tommy, I think we just... Maybe just bail. Tommy? Hello? Where'd he go? I don't know. I'm just gonna grab this and leave, I guess.
How do I close the chat now?
Ah, fuck.
Escape. I think about it.
I didn't know if escape.
We're... well, I'm missing 2 people now. Where are you going? Wait, that's 5 now. Is this Tommy? What happened to you? Run? Uh-oh. I can't get it in. I can't get it in. I'm trying to get you in there, little buddy.
I am alive.
Hello.
Yellow. Good job, guys.
Thanks. I did so much and worked so. Oh fuck! The tricycle's here. How do we? Hey, how do we start the ship? How do I turn it on? Help me! They got me!
Wait, I actually can't do it.
How do we?
Can only the host do it? Right, I have to be closer.
I don't know.
I don't know if I can.
Audio. Oh. What?
I'm trying to see how to get kill in.
Oh.
What is this? Heart laser.
Whoa, what is this? Oh yeah, there's a bathroom.
Look. Look what I found.
How do I here, close the door? Gotta lock that shit. Oh my oh, that's getting me motion sick. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got a little toy gun too. Guys, I don't think that was a toy. Holy shit. I think I just killed that person. I think that was a loaded pistol. Who is this? That's alright, you'll be fine. We'll get you back in a minute here.
Pelly, I appreciate the Alec Baldwin RP. Oh, that's gonna kill us. That's a, sir. That's an active landmine you're playing with, sir.
Well, just don't step on it.
Okay. I'm getting so fucking motion sick from the screen shaking. It's crazy.
I'm so
That's another
sorry.
one.
I'm so sorry. Oh. So.
How are we?
We will have to go back to lobby for people to join.
Okay. Let's do that, please.
Okay, go back to lobby right now.
Yeah. Jesus. Okay, dang. Dang. I'm a brand new user, the more highlighted and superior version of puzzle. Okay, I think that's the same user. I've got a suspicion that might be the same user. That may be the same guy. Many are saying suspicious user in chat. Many are. I need another invite. Wait, join friend. Here we go. How do I join? Join friend. Join friend.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, do I gotta remake my guy? No, thank God. Okay.
Am I friends with Gavin on?
Probably not. I'll invite him. Can I invite
Oh my
him?
god.
Hold on. Invite to game.
Look who it is.
Well, look who it is.
Well.
Well,
Look
well,
who
well.
it freaking is.
well. Well.
Hold on, I'm almost done.
It's a pretty deep well.
Oh, it's so deep. Where's
Did you guys like my bingus
You're banging.
on the head? Little cat.
I was busy looking at the floor.
Why can I not wear a skirt? What the heck?
I'm just gonna have to go naked. Sorry.
Don't.
LMAO.
This is Halloween. This is the holiest of holidays. You can't be saying that kind of thing.
Are you sure it's holy? Winky
I
face?
mean,
Yeah,
it can
that's
be.
why it's hollow. Hello?
All Holes Eve. Okay, I'm almost done. We can almost done.
That's what she said.
There's my freaking skull.
Damn it.
I gotta get napkins. I'll be right back.
No.
What is that? Oh, cool.
Okay, I'm back.
Hi, back.
Hi, it's me, front.
See, you thought I was gonna laugh at that, and I just shook my head and like furrowed my brows at my monitor.
That's exactly what I wanted, so that's perfect.
It went according to plan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna go roll with this. I'm freaking ready.
You ready?
I'm so ready. I've been so ready. I jetted home. Like Tokyo Drift home.
Okay, we starting up then. Wee!
Wee! I forgot how to play.
Don't die.
Oh, okay.
That easy.
I'm sorry I caused you to explode in the shop.
It happens all the time.
All the time?
Is there a way to like turn your flashlight off besides crouching?
You can look under your settings, maybe under controls.
No, I looked there first.
Oh,
I was wondering
then
if maybe
probably
you guys have the secret lore or whatever.
No.
Yeah, I just hit every key on my keyboard and none of them did it, so I don't think so.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it. I appreciate it though.
Yep.
All right, let me at him.
Who?
I forgot I'm so good at this game.
I saw
Oh,
that.
what's behind the red curtain?
The secrets.
Oh my god. I missed the whole thing.
Hey, don't drop that.
The soap?
Dude, you fucking startled me. What the hell?
Yeah, I'll help you pick that up.
It's so dark.
Everyone has cigars and I love it.
Oh! My larynx. Oh.
That's what you fucking get.
Oh my god, it's beans and heels.
Yeah, I'm so happy that you immediately recognized that I made beans.
LMAO. And I love the heels too. Oh,
Thank you.
And you have the Crash Bandicoot guy.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Who's getting head in there?
Oh, he just ate our entire cart.
Ate the cart? Oh my god.
Yeah, just everything in there just got destroyed.
What's the pumpkin? What is that?
Oh, it's a clown. My clown son.
Ugh, this is so heavy.
My clon.
Oh, watch your head. I have a telescope. I can stare at people's cakes. All right, I need to go through. Oh my god. You know what? Eat that telescope. Get me out of here.
Guys, I think we're fucked. Is my cam off intentionally? It is for right now because I'm also eating whenever I'm dead. Hold on, I'll turn it back on.
Did she die?
There you go. Now you can see me.
I heard the, oh fuck, it's behind us, and then. Oh. Hi, bud.
Don't drop that.
Oh, poor bud.
Hey, don't drop that.
The fuck is that?
Yeah.
Is that the head that killed you? We're just gonna go this way and be like, nope, nope.
What the hell's this? Roll drone. What? What? The fuck? There's a big ass bug in this room. I'd like to report this hotel. Oh fuck! Oh, the bug's on. Put the bug down. How do I put something down? How do I get it off me?
So you can't stay in your body for too long.
No.
That seems bad.
Cause God damn it!
I tried, chat.
There is like some. What is that? A halo spider? What is that?
Big ass bug bit me. Oh, spider bite.
Huh?
There's like a creepy spider like thing. You remember on Halo those weird things that would jump out and they'd be like these little spider with the white asses? You know?
Oh, the flood? The little
The
flood,
flood.
guys?
That's what it looks like.
It does,
Okay,
yeah, it
you're
kind of looks like
alive.
that. I see
Yeah.
it.
You talking about the
It's
bug?
right there.
Yeah,
We
looks
need
like
to go.
one
Yeah,
of
that-
the flood guys.
I think that's what.
I don't think that's
killed
a bug. I think that's
It's
intended.
Probably about time, right?
It's a classic.
We like to have fun here. We like to have fun here.
That's funny.
I just realized you run out of stamina.
Yep, go that way.
How do you do the car? I just want to try driving the car.
The car?
The call.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the Flintstone. Which one is it? I'm gonna surprise them.
I think it's literally called like Flintstone Car.
Is it
It's-
in World or what is it?
Yeah,
in?
it was Underworld.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna do that. That's so funny. Who is the one with the cat on their head and the beanie? That's so funny.
Is that? I think that's Lauren. Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, I forgot it shows his name up top. I might have to get out of the car immediately. I feel like it'll be too much. Look at that. Easy peasy.
Where are you going?
Oh, I gotta go this way. Beep beep. Do I look cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's driving this bus?
I think the cigar really brings it together.
Perfect. I can't see what I look like, so.
You don't need to gorgeous. That's what you look like.
Fact.
Widdly / me tucks hair behind ear.
The cart be thick.
Oh, dummy thick. Oh my god.
Hi, Lucas. Lucas, you hopping on? Because we could go back to lobby again.
Just hitting me.
It's not me.
I like your little Charmander's tail.
What?
Give me a second, my game isn't working.
I
Dude,
said I
you're
like
the
your
one who
Charmander
made the
tail.
game.
Like your flower pot that you're in?
It's a clown cart.
Yeah, excuse me, Rain, that's Bowser's Koopa clown car from Super Mario World. Please don't make that mistake again.
I like your flower pot.
All right, all right, guys, we're starting a new lobby over here. All right, what are we buying?
Health.
Yeah, health's good.
What is this? Death Head battery upgrade for those who want to be a little bit more creepy.
Can we stop turning the store into a war zone? I'm trying to shop here.
Do they still do that one where you could get candy and if you eat it, or a health thing, if you eat it, you get full health or something? Who the fuck?
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay, kids, time to calm down.
Get them their iPads.
Is this all we're buying?
I mean, I guess I don't even know what we're buying. What's this? Health upgrade? All right, I'm back. I got 1 health now, but I'm back.
Get in the car. Are you staying here?
I don't know what I just put on. I'm trying to get back in the car.
What did you just put on?
I don't know, a beak of some sort? I don't know.
What is this? Oh. Oh. Hey, there was a little like trick or treat thing on the ship, and I opened it. Now
Somebody
we have
grab this
weapons.
last upgrade.
Wait, here. Take it.
What is this?
Thank you.
Bolt zap.
Want the baseball bat?
Who plans on dying?
Me.
Me.
Do you want the? There's a. We bought a Death Head battery upgrade, so that way you can freak people out more.
Feel like anyone else but me could have that, because the moment I die, I'm eating this pizza. I'm not talking to anyone. So if someone else wants it,
Lauren. Be creepy to people. This is for you. Take the upgrade.
I don't know why, but Killa's outfit
What?
is like killing me right now. Where it's just like, just big fucking cigar, Super Mario hat, Sailor Moon
It's me,
outfit,
Mario.
like, just like pictures that go hard as fuck. Like,
I'm just that freaking cool.
oh shit, sorry, Lucas. I didn't read the chat. We'll do it. We'll get you on the next one.
Oh, easy peasy. Let me lead the way. I know where we're going.
Oh,
Ow. That was my toe you just stubbed with the cart.
I'm gonna throw my back out. Oh my gosh.
don't do that. You need to do that for later.
Oh.
You're taking people trick or treating. You
You
gotta.
alright? Oh.
Yeah, yeah. I'm startled. We got
Crystal.
stuff.
Yeah, flash grenade, an upgrade.
I shouldn't be trusted with any of this.
Oh, I lost my bat. Wait, what the fuck? Lost my bat.
Oh, I don't see it.
Oh my god. Shit. What do the crystals do? I think I should bring that crystal back. Damn, that sucks. I immediately lost my bat. I don't even know what happened.
Is there a way to store things?
Yeah, if you're while you're holding it, hit 1, 2, or 3. There you go.
Oh.
Oh fuck! I'm going. I'm leaving. Ow. What the?
The
Oh.
same thing happened to you.
Whoa, big ass box though. Whoa, and an
Big
orb.
box.
Orb. Or is that a little goblin? Oh, it's just a head of a goblin. Okay.
Goblin
Orb.
head, but yeah.
Orb. Why is there a corpse here? Orb. Orb.
You know which way back to the ship?
Yeah, it's this way.
Orb.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Grenade.
Who's saying ew? Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me.
Who's saying uppies? What the? Okay, take her out of the cart.
It's swimming me in it.
No, take her out of the cart.
No! Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my, that was terrifying. There's something right there.
Speaking of terrifying.
Get back to the cart. Get back to the cart.
And gonna close the door. Check under the bed. This is like hello neighbor. Is that a bug? Ew, it's a fucking bug? Oh shit. Oh shit, it's a bug. Oh shit. Goodbye. I ain't collecting that shit. Ooh. What is this? What the? It's a butt plug. Whoa.
Wait, and we want to not do that to the cart yet, right?
Oh, wait, get out of there. I'm not actually just kidding. No!
Oh.
Pull it.
What is happening? I'm leaving.
That was my bad. I don't think I got anybody.
I'm leaving. I'm gonna go play wizard school. It's the headmaster. Dude, hey, I wanna meet the headmaster. You know what I'm oh wait, is that the headmaster? Maybe I don't want to meet the headmaster. Never mind. What is this? It's a tarot card. Yeah, that sounds terrible. I'll turn my webcam on now. Yeah, I got a tarot card.
Oh, we're okay then. How to use
You,
I don't know how to use it.
you all right? You're staring at that thing real intensely.
Yeah, I'm all good.
let me go put it back in there. Okay, we'll just put it in here.
You, it's a fucking bug. You. Uh-oh.
That sounded bad.
It's fine. I just put a bug in the cauldron and now it won't stop exploding.
Puppies! Puppies!
No one go to that corner.
I'm gonna sit you right there. Puppies! Here, I'll turn you around. You get the action. Okay. Did we do it yet, or do we keep looking for stuff?
How much stuff do we have in the cart?
I don't know.
I mean, we hit quota.
Let's
we could
see. I was gonna say, let's see if we can't find some other
There's a
people.
giant monster arm? What is this? I have a $10,000 monster arm,
Oh.
but it's so heavy. Ew. Sounds so gross. Or it sounds like mac and cheese. One or the other. That's funny. We're doing so good. I love your helicopter app, by the way.
What is in this box? Can I open the box? I mean, I can drag it to the extraction point.
Oh my god, we got $31,000.
Oh yeah, now we got to find the other extraction point. That's right.
Hello. I'm gonna put this in this. Someone got bonked on the head by that money.
Class of 87. The bite of 87? Sorry, that's not funny. Sorry, I'm trying to appeal to a younger demographic. If there's one thing I've always said, it's I need more children.
Oh, that sounds so good. I think we're having pizza too, I'm gonna be honest. Excuse me. Bone smash the teeth.
Yep.
Bone apple tip.
I just had a pepper.
Can someone help me? My back is sore.
No, I'll help you.
What? What the fuck is that?
What happened? Oh.
Don't
I
worry
think we're
about it.
getting Papa Murph's because he's the only man I can eat. Or I mean Papa John's.
He's the only man that can fill you.
The only man I'll allow fill me up. That's right.
I'm just gonna put the crystal in the car and then I'm getting out of here.
Okay, it's because I don't like guys, but Papa John's he just does something to me. The only
Yeah, but you
man.
like Papa, notorious racist Papa John's?
Is he racist? Fuck that guy then.
Oh my God, is he?
I'm going to Papa Murph's. He's never let me down. He does it raw too.
Okay, all right, I'm leaving.
I prefer my pizza cooked.
A wand.
What the hell, dude?
A diamond! What are you doing?
Hey, what's that? Hey, what is that? Hey, help me. Hey, someone help me. Hey, instead of walking to the next room. All right, it's after him now.
No, you got it.
It's after him now. We're good.
Okay, great.
Hey, Pedley, can I get your opinion, streamer to streamer?
Sure.
Okay, so there was a picture in one of the rooms, and it said Swift Broom Academy, the class of '87, and I went, the bite of '87. Is that funny?
Yes, that's comical.
All right, thank you.
Freddy, Five Nights at Freddy is still relevant.
Thank
It
you.
seems like it was so funny he forgot to laugh because I didn't hear him giggle.
Well, he's got a condition. He can't laugh.
Oh.
Yeah, it's actually really tragic. I'd rather you didn't bring it up.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Pelly. Although it's so funny, I think I've heard you laugh.
No, that's him crying. He's really emotional and scared. So he just.
You know what? My mistake. It is Halloween.
Hey, I found something.
Is that a cigar or is that a roach? It's a roach. It's a.
Hey, have we found the second extraction point yet?
Yeah, we've been there like for 74 days. 69 days.
Wow, 74 of them.
Mm-hmm. Where were you?
Trying to drag this box.
Maybe get stronger. It's just a box. It's probably empty.
Why am I leading? You're the one who knows what the second extraction point is. Hold on.
I don't remember where it's at. I shut my eyes. I think it's this way. I just follow people, but I don't remember where I go. Where's the second extraction point?
This way. Here, follow me. You guys carry it. Follow me. This way.
Yep,
This way.
Yep.
This way. This way.
This is the way.
This is the way. This way. This way.
I don't know why
This
that's so funny the way you're saying that right now.
This way.
Oh, I'm stuck.
This box, I
This way.
can't grip the box. I'm so sorry.
Oh, there it is.
This way.
Oh, right next to bed.
Oh, okay.
This way.
This is where you guys were for 74 days.
Yep.
I don't think you should put it on the point, right?
No, you can because it doesn't equal the $10,000.
Oh, we haven't hit the quota. Okay.
Yep. Now this cart right here is an additional 32. Do we want to meet quota now?
Are we missing anybody?
Oh, there's wait. There's two more thingies that people are bringing.
All right, put it in. I'm just kidding.
Shove it in.
Oh.
There's one more also large fish item.
A fish item.
Here's a doing.
Where?
What, the largest item? It's over this way.
Do we need to triple team it?
Oh, it's another box.
Oh, a box.
Two should be good.
Yeah, it's just empty. How did you just do a flip like that?
If you. That bark.
My dogs are out.
The way that your little mouth just like full like 90-degree opened at that bark killed me.
Well, I got 3 dogs out, you know, but I won't tell you which one are my feet.
You hit jump and Q.
Jump in Q. Okay, hold on. No stamina.
Guys, are you afraid of wizards? Witches I get, right? Like I get with like the witches thing. Witches are scary, right? I've seen The Wizard of Oz. I've seen Scooby-Doo and the Witch's Ghost. Witches are scary, and that's what makes them kind of haunt. Wizards, I don't feel like are scary. I feel like wizards are whimsical, but witches aren't whimsical. What is that? Why is that like that? Because aren't wizards and witches just gendered? The fuck is that? The fuck is that? Get in the bed! Help!
That damn lady with the...
Welcome to the L lobby.
Thank you, thank you. It's very spacious in here.
Right?
Like it's possible, right? There's like enough room up there.
All right, another one for the L Lodge.
They don't have to know we're here.
How did you get under there, just in case?
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, how did you get under there? No, I need to know. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Look at the bed.
I can't. I'm on the bed. I'm on the bed.
Come back here. Come back here. Come behind the bed. Come behind the bed. Come behind
Okay,
the bed.
hold on. I gotta get
I love
somebody
how
under
they're
it.
just
He's
freaking
out
out.
there, and I dropped him when I got scared. Hold on. It's that goddamn. I can't run. I'm gonna eat this cake.
Wait, there's cake?
Now time on my butt.
Yeah, so there's
was try-
cake.
Yes, it's cake. It's that damn floating.
Why is she talking about
guy
eating
that-
her own ass? The dog barking's killing me. The dog barking's really funny to me. Wait, Lucas, you're content maxing right now?
That's okay. So I'm gonna get you first.
I'm chat maxing right
I'm
now.
gonna
I've
get
got
you
everyone's
first,
chats
and
up.
then I'm gonna go back. Okay.
Should we be helping?
Maybe I don't know, but
Okay. Well, you're doing a great.
thank you so much. I have no stamina. I'm just so weak.
Where's
Somewhere out here. There's some firm thing flying around.
I'm watching everyone
Okay, he
stream
was
at
out
once.
here.
so I can
know
hear everyone
carried
at the
him around.
same
Did someone
time.
grab him?
But isn't there like different levels of delayed? I feel like the
Funny as
noise
if they
waves
just
of that
held
would
tab to
drive
find it.
me fucking insane, dude.
You left him in the cupboard?
Well, I saved
I
his
probably
life.
would have too. It's fine.
It was that chocolate
This
girl
way.
with-
Ah!
It was the girl with the freaking swords. You know? I had to do what I had to do.
Okay, we're gonna have to run back. Okay.
But where's Mikey?
No, you have to.
What's throwing? What's that?
That's mine.
Okay.
There's husband. There's.
Where's Pelly? Oh, coward.
I think we're missing somebody.
Who are we missing?
Where's Mikey at? Look. Oh my god, I forgot about that.
You ever just get really
Maybe we
excited to
have
go to
everybody.
bed?
I don't know. I just don't want to
No,
leave
no.
somebody. I found one.
Here, take him back.
I'm like really excited right now
no
for the
stamina.
stream to be over.
Done. Something's on my face. Something's on my face. I don't know what's on my face. I'm vomiting everywhere. I'm so sorry. I don't know where that. I'm just gonna vomit on everybody. I'm so sorry. If I vomit on you, I'm so sorry. I can't get this stupid thing off my head. Get off my head, God. Get off me. How do I get this guy off me? Oh my God, I'm gonna pass away.
Hold on. No, you're fine. You're fine. That's fine. No, you're fine. You're fine. Okay. I think
He's
that's everybody.
vomiting.
He'll come off of it.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to vomit in your mouth. I'm so
My mouth
sorry.
is open.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. That was not my intention. I'm so sorry. I tried to turn when he opened his mouth.
I think that's everybody.
I think. I don't know. Let's push the cart.
We
Is
gotta
it over?
run back.
You hear that, everybody? Put your
Anybody-
damn Nikes on.
Let's go.
Oh my God. That
Oh
scared
God.
the shit out
That's
of me.
good.
The dogs are out.
Let's just.
Everybody run. Wait, why are we running?
Because monster. Straight.
Wait, who's got a fuck? What is that?
That's my bad. I hit the wrong button. I hit the wrong button.
Come on, come with me, little buddy. I got you, little pup.
I hit the wrong button.
No more grenades for you.
Listen, I shouldn't be trusted with them. Who left it out anyway?
Okay.
They should have left it out of my reach.
That was my last
Good
game.
job. You did so good.
I got to play a couple, but
Okay,
I gotta
is
go.
that everybody? Are we leaving? We're leaving.
Happy
Yeah,
Halloween,
that's everyone.
everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Halloween. Happy. Happy. All right, so is there a way to go back to the main lobby without having to create?
That's a
new
good question. I don't know.
I don't think so. But we need to get Lucas in, correct?
Yeah.
So then we have to abandon this game.
Hold on. Let me try inviting him. Like while we're in this. Never mind, I can't invite him. Damn, there should be a late joining mod. They should make that.
We just have to pick the same
Same
lobby.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do I know which one is?
I just realized you've had a pacifier in the whole time.
Yeah, because I'm a crybaby.
Oh, okay. I figured it was either that or you're really into like the rave scene.
No. It's I'm a crybaby. I'm just like, we're gonna stand in the corner and I'll be fine. All right, so let's buy some stuff. We'll get in the car. We'll restart and then
Yeah.
go from there. These crystals will be good for weapons. What do we want?
I'm stuck. Help.
Hi, stuck. I'm dead.
Help.
Ooh, map player count upgrade. What's that?
I think it literally shows you how many players are on the map more.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's nice.
Is it?
it's actually.
I don't know.
I feel like it's
I just
worthless.
Thank you.
I want this one.
Do we want some extra crystals so that way we can recharge stuff?
Do we have anything we need to recharge?
What is this? I think there was weapons on the thingy. What is this? What is this? I don't like it. Is it this?
I almost got you with that one, huh?
Oh yeah, zero gravity orb. That's cool.
That's for you.
What'd that do?
Do we need a rubber duck?
I mean,
I'm so sorry.
I can't shower without it, so.
And you do smell, so we'll get it.
I have a rubber duck like on like the like soap tray in my shower, and I have been told numerous times of like, you know, I shouldn't say told, but I've been asked like, why do you have a rubber duck? And I'm like, that's my bath buddy. What do you mean? You don't have a rubber duck? And no one ever laughs at that. No one ever laughs at my enthusiasm over having a rubber duck.
I think. Hold on.
Good. Keep him dead. Lock him in the bathroom. Flush him down the toilet. Just put him
Okay,
in
kids, we're leaving. It's time to go pick up Lucas.
No.
I think Gavin's in the bathroom changing.
Oh, do we need to wait?
Oh, no,
right
wait,
here.
he's right there. Okay, never mind.
I don't know
Sorry.
what the hell he's talking about.
Sorry, you change your look every game. I can't remember.
Okay, so while we're here, right?
Yeah.
I need to go to the main menu
Yes.
and then reselect this save when I do it.
Yes.
Okay. Wish me luck.
Godspeed. Who's? Oh, cuz. Oh. Who's? Who's? I like that Lucas is 3 chat maxing. He's like typing the same message in all 3 chats. It's actually really impressive. I haven't gotten an invite yet, so... Oh, wait, did I? Oh, wait, maybe I did. Oh, shit, now I'm an asshole.
Oh.
Can you guys do the grapefruit noise?
The grapefruit noise.
How do you do that?
Hey, come over, I'll show you.
All right. I mean, I could be there in like 15 minutes. All right, guys, it was a good stream. I'm gonna go ahead and.
Do you ever like instantly react to something and then you like think about the person you are? Because you said grapefruit noise and I immediately went into that dick sucking noise, and it's like, you know, didn't have to. Could have been like, what grapefruit noise? Could have, you know, just.
I think I would be funnier if I was more impulsive.
Well, I can tell you you're already plenty funny enough. And I think I would be more liked if I was less impulsive.
Hi, Lucas.
It really is kind of like a sliding scale, isn't it?
Yep.
Hi. I have no idea. Okay. You see how weird my ping is being? I have no clue what it is with this game.
It's at 29 right now.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say yours is
No,
at
I know,
25.
but like when I joined, it said like 113, and then it went down to 20. I have no.
Yeah, well, it's got to you
But
got to
it's fine
load.
now.
You got to download all the content.
It's just numbers, man.
Numbers.
Numbers aren't even real.
Whoa,
Just like a.
No, Pelly, go ahead, finish that. Just like what?
Like a 10. What
don't
is our
see
number
Laura in
system?
here.
What do you call ours? Like 10.
She
It's
had
got.
to go. What about Gavin? No.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Gavin's not here yet.
You look now I'm at 89. What is this?
Oh, he going crazy.
Oh jeez.
Get it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dear.
Mm-hmm.
He's just a robot.
Do you have Gary Oldman at your house?
He has become the text chat.
Okay, he's gonna restart his game one more time. So let's give it a minute. Lucas, you gotta stop downloading. Lucas, you gotta, Lucas, sweetheart, you have to stop. You gotta stop downloading 14 terabytes of Sonic the Hedgehog mods. You have to. I know you want to install Rouge the Bat XXL.
I was certain that something was coming instead of mod. I thought something wildly different was coming, but then you said mods, and I was like, oh, thank God.
Lucas says I don't even have a VPN on. That's the problem, sweetheart. You've been downloading without the VPN, and now they're shutting off your internet, bud. I'm not downloading anything. Okay, stop seeding torrents then. We've talked about if you do that, they're gonna get you for that too.
Yeah, they will get you for that one.
I like that like Lucas
I
is
actually
like,
lost an arm doing that.
oh, which one?
My left.
Oh, you don't need that one. Optional arm.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
I like that Lucas
Damn,
is
it
like
hurts, though.
frustrated, like trying to get this to work, and I'm like belittling him and calling him sweetheart. Like that's sorry, Lucas. If the shoe was on the other foot, I would have fucking punched a hole through my monitor at that point. Like
Do I need to send another invite?
no, he should be able to join on us.
Okay.
You guys ever get like really excited to go to
No.
bed? All right. What the hell? What the fuck? All right, guys. All right, I'm done playing. I'm gonna go cry. Hey, I'm noticing no one like pog reacted or anything to the picture of my pizza in the Discord. Can we like circle around and just get back to it? Who just said ew? Who just said ew? Hey, 5 gifted subs.
You lied.
What? I lied?
Pizza had olive. Not you lied. She's -10/10.
Well, the pizza I got this time is a different pizza. Usually I will get like chicken and pineapple and banana peppers, but this time I got a supreme pizza from a local joint and it was good. Who the fuck just princess reacted to my pizza? Lucas is saying just keep playing without me. IDK how to fix this. What's going on? Do you, like it sounds like it's an internet problem. It says my ping to US East is over 200. And when I try to join, it gives me client timeout. Well, it literally only happens to me on Repo. Oh. Put water in your router.
Oh, okay. I'm here. I don't know how long that.
Who?
Let's go.
Okay. All right.
Do we want to start?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start and see if it works. Oh.
Oh, you gone.
I
Damn.
want to wait.
Rip.
I should have. I'm a friend.
What could be the problem? That's crazy. Alright, he working on it. He's saying I will need some time. So we could probably play one.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If I could start the lobby, I would. You're the one in charge.
I forget about that because you normally are.
Yeah, I usually
just
do.
just over here, just fucking around. I'm like, oh wait, yeah, I have the power.
Yeah. Alright, make sure to grab your upgrades again.
What's this? What's this?
Gavin, you get more fucked up every time we load in.
Yeah.
That's what a 9 to 5 will do to you.
I wish it was a 9 to 5.
Yeah, I feel that.
There's an upstairs. Dope.
There's nothing up here.
I'm coming with you.
There's nothing up here.
Cuck room, cuck room. Oh.
Wait, what the fuck?
Go back in there.
No.
It's just words, man.
What the fuck is on your back? I want it.
Yeah, Pelly, go ahead. Yeah, uh-huh.
Can you go back in there?
Politely asking people to go in the room so you can do the cuck-a-room bit.
You scared me. Oh.
Ah, duck.
Oh.
Who's that?
Monkey.
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 Dude, my main man Kim Il looking kind of sick with that bear hat.
Dude, I was a banana today.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck! I fucked up. No! I can't run. No! Save me, cuck room. What's up? Why are you guys hiding? Are you scared? Anyone want to help me carry this grandfather clock to the cart?
But this is 18,000.
Okay, I'll help you with this. Well, this duck is gonna get in the way and kill me. So there we go, I got it. I just back it up. Just back it up.
Do we want to put it on the cart?
I think we should take it to the extraction point because it's so big.
Okay. Okay.
Oh. There's a man with a gun. It's stuck. Hold on. There we go. There's a man with a gun. We gotta go.
We're almost there.
I've never hired movers before, but
This
I
is
feel like
probably what it's like.
Yeah, I feel like this is what it would be like to be a mover. Just man with a gun shooting at you as his like child keeps jumping in your face.
Did we go up this stairs this way? Oh, it's just the same.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing.
We need one more small thing to put over there for that extraction site, and then we can just go ahead and worry about. There's so much shit here. You said there was a piano, right?
Who?
You.
There's a grandfather
realize how-
clock. It's huge.
Oh, that's probably what it was.
Gavin, I keep thinking you're one of the monsters.
Ow! That's what, oh, sorry. That's what I was going for.
What?
Oh!
All right. Time to eat another slice of pizza.
No.
Playing with VPN might actually be the solution. Oh, hey, give it a shot. I don't understand how. That could be, but give it a shot.
You good?
There's the guy with the gun around the corner, but yeah.
I just head straight back from here, right?
Yep. Just keep going.
This is too heavy. Guys, I need help.
You got it.
Paralyzed this old man with a crank gun.
Or should we have saved this one for the other spot?
No, because there's still a bunch of shit. And whatever we're extra, we get a bag.
Cool.
And now we never have to come back here.
Nice. Yeah, I've got like 2 strength upgrades. I actually pick shit up pretty efficiently now.
That's what I said. Okay, so help me pick this up. And we'll take this back to the cart.
Oh. Brings back some good memories.
Come on! Is it dead yet?
We lost one, but I got him. I got him, come on!
This got shot in the face.
Get his ass! He's too heavy. Yeah!
We did it!
Sorry, Gavin.
Let's go.
Is that who died? Who died? Did Gavin die? We lost him.
Rest in peace.
They don't even know I'm dead. They don't even care. Sad day.
No. No.
We gotta make room for that, though.
Oh! Well, no, we don't. What was it? I don't remember what it was. Nobody remembers that? It didn't happen. There was no object. There was no... it is getting dimmer in here.
Why did you let me die?
Uh-oh.
They just pushed me under the bed. They have no idea.
No,
They just lost me.
They never do.
How are you, little dog? That was creepy.
There is still like a sponsor.
they found you.
Oh.
Help me lift this up.
I'm on my way.
And this will be the last thing that we can kind of put on there before extraction stuff. And then we can take the cart. We still have places we want to go. Ah, that might be it. Nope, there's a bunch of stuff on the other side of the house. Let's take the cart. I am so sorry.
It happens. Did I just make a mistake?
I went the wrong way. Oh no!
I'm sorry. I fucked up, didn't I?
Yeah, but that's it. We'll go back.
I understand what I did wrong now.
Yep.
You left that bag out on purpose. I'm a dummy.
Yep, but it's okay. We'll just go back. Oh god! I'm gonna die.
No, don't lead them in here. Wait, not to me.
I'm gonna die.
Don't go in. Oh, well, fuck.
Oh god. Hello? Are we good?
Uh-oh. Someone died dead. This is the story of a girl.
Yeah, I bombed
Oops.
pretty bad there.
There you go. You're nice and safe in the car. Oh, oops. Hold on. We'll get that back in. We'll just put that right back on top of the corpse. That's fine.
Yeah, no biggie.
Oh.
Oh, that happened.
Alright, just gotta put it just nice and... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright.
What's a roll drone?
I don't know.
What's
I
that?
haven't figured that out yet. I was messing with that earlier.
Should I activate it?
Yeah, but like maybe not at the cart. Maybe wait, let's kill this fucking duck. Bring it over here. Okay, all right, now activate it and like try and put Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, it's good for the duck. Look at that.
Uh-oh. All right. Well, thank you for your patronage, Gavin. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I the only one alive? Sure. Oh, I thought Rain was dead.
No, just hiding on the ship.
Okay.
Yeah, I just went and asked her about that. She was just chilling there while everybody else is dying and shit.
Yeah, that sounds like Rain. Classic final girl strategy.
You think he got everybody?
Help me.
Here, I'm with you. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Do you think Pelly knows he doesn't have to gutturally groan every time he picks that old man up.
Is really awkward to have here.
It's just role playing.
Duck! Duck, you stupid little bird!
I watched a bunch of people on NoPixel who did that every time they did anything.
I think it gives extra strength.
Oh, we're fine. Okay.
The thing is Pelly's not even an RPer. He's one of my friends from like middle
should we just
school.
go?
He's just like this.
Oh, well, then no, I have no idea what's going on there.
Maybe.
Born to RP.
He
It
really
just comes
is.
naturally to him.
You gotta
not
get
here
this
by
guy
now.
a GTA account or whatever.
I've tried. Him and I, the first
think I
time I
could
ever
trank the duck?
RP'd on GTA was with him. We were hopping on public servers. But I've tried to get him on whitelisted one and he won't do it.
Sometimes like the applications and stuff can be like I don't know, you're putting yourself out there kind of thing.
Yeah. Well, I think for him it's that oh wait, he's in the I can't talk about him. He's in here now.
Why don't you let him speak?
Yeah, go ahead. Pelly, go ahead.
For him.
Let's continue talking about you as if you're not here.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Kirby.
No, I was
No,
talking about
to be
you.
fair to me,
thought
I
they
don't know
didn't-
who anybody is.
They didn't like his LeBron James fit.
No. Someday I will get Kirby on a server and let him do Virgin LeBron James.
So, like, did we do it?
Win?
No.
Oh.
Oh, did we lose the trank gun?
Probably.
That's unfortunate. Oh well, I found it in the level. We didn't buy it.
Lucas, how's your situation looking?
Damn, I want to try this though. This thing's cool as hell.
Okay, Lucas is saying he's good now, so after the shop, we'll pick him up. We're gonna stamina upgrade.
Does this deal damage?
Oh!
Imagine going to a gun store and someone does this shit to you. Hey, is this hurt? Okay, I do need health. I need a health pack because I am hurting. I got 1 HP.
Same.
Yeah, same here. But
Buy a bunch of health.
I don't know if the health pack will help me.
What does that mean? You're like beyond help?
Yeah, lost cause. Do you like the fact that I can push myself in the cart?
Alright, I picked up a few upgrades and some HP. Throw a little bit more HP on there for somebody else, maybe.
Yeah, let's throw on a couple more things. We got the money, why not?
Exactly.
Ow!
Oop.
Oh, a storage room. This is where they keep the good items.
What? Damn pedestrians.
Yeah.
Okay, are we good? Did everyone buy what they wanted?
I can't talk. I'm working right now. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I can tell you were real busy. Where did Rain go? Did someone kill
Is there
her?
a lobby?
Oh no, she's right there.
She's right there.
Hello.
You were not right there when I ran on the ship. I swear to God.
Yeah, she
He
was.
walked
I
right
saw her.
past me.
Did I?
Yeah,
Listen,
I've been here the whole time.
I've only had one vodka seltzer so far. There's no.
Wow.
You got so upset that he called you.
Crouch
Are we
rest.
buying the
What does
tiny
this do?
cart?
I hope we are.
It's a nightmare.
I think so.
I kind of wanted to.
Oh, does this just give you stamina when you?
Yeah, when you're
Crouch, I
crouching,
guess.
it gives you better
It's
stamina.
literally like
Regen.
taking like 5 children to the store and they're just grabbing shit off the shelves and torturing each other with it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Husband pushed the button.
Thank God. He's one of the good ones.
Fire.
He's something.
Welcome back.
I don't think I can be held legally responsible for
Let's
that.
go. You're either on the car or you're not. Did you? Is this everybody? Everybody? Sure.
Sure. I think we're missing Tommy, but sure.
No, he's in the corner, no?
No, I think he's
no,
dead.
He's not in the corner. Oh, where is he?
Jealous.
I got him. Don't leave without me.
Oh, go leave? Okay.
Let's leave.
Okay, so now we save and I go.
We go get Lucas.
We get Lucas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What if I started calling Lucas, Screw Kiss? Cause he's such like a,
Hello.
he's such a sensual
Oh.
lover. Oh, okay, you're not, all right, never mind.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, it turns out the solution was I had to use a VPN and connect to 15 minutes away from me. That solved everything.
Oh.
Oh, perfect. I'm really fooling him on this one.
Why can't I invite Gavin? Wait. Now I can, never mind.
Bro. Oh, okay.
That invite took quite a while.
That's because I hit Shift Tab and it wouldn't let me invite you, so I had to find a workaround. So you're welcome.
Always last one to get invited.
Yeah, he's actually taking a head count on like, he's like, guys, do we really want to like, am I really sending this invite?
There's a poll every time.
Hold on.
There is,
Hold
yeah.
on.
I advocated yes.
I'm being slandered.
Somebody.
I want you to know you can join without the invite. And what's happening is I'm getting drunker and drunker every game. And every game it's taking me longer and longer to be like, oh shit, I gotta send one invite out. Hold on.
Is this everybody?
Yeah. Who just yawned? Don't do that. Take that
Sorry.
back. Yeah.
Yawn again. Yawn again. I have 1 HP. Let's go.
Oh,
I'm gonna
shit.
take this big guy.
Okay, I
Does
need
anyone
my
have less than one?
I want my tumble launch. And I want my stamina. Now I can homing attack.
Is there health for me?
These two right here are not taken.
And one of those health upgrades is for somebody as well.
This one's good?
Yeah, you can use that one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
I'll take
unclaimed,
this.
seems like.
I got you.
Oh, dude, the Master Emerald.
And then what's this?
Look,
A cart laser. How
I want
do
the
I put
Master
this
Emerald.
on?
What do you put it on?
I think you put it. Wait.
You gotta get it in the cart.
Ah!
What the fuck?
You have to like manually balance it in the cart.
Yeah, I gotta like get it in there.
Wait. We got it. Drop it.
Stop pushing the cart, Rain! Trying to just get it. There we go. Gentle.
There you go.
Gentle.
He's not here.
What the fuck? I think
you can rotate.
Oh, okay. So you see what I was thinking? I thought the small part was like the handle, and the big part was the gun.
I thought that
Someone
too.
Yeah.
Someone wanna grab this as I drop it?
Nah, I don't feel like it. All right, let me try to figure.
I got it.
What the? How'd you die already, bud?
Perfect.
Got it.
Who is this?
Oh man.
First try.
That Pelly?
Is it? Oh, it might be.
Oh.
How'd he die in like 30 seconds?
So, I don't want to shoot the gun because I'm afraid it'll hit the treasure.
Hold on. I got big treasure over here. Look, poop.
Yeah. Oh, you got the little Crash Bandicoot guy. I forget his name.
Aku. We got poop.
Yeah, that guy.
And then look at the money.
Holy shit. We're at 11,000.
Ow!
What is that? What is that? What?
Ah!
No.
I'm backing up.
No, Rick.
Oh.
She just died?
Was it nice? Hey, look at all the...
Why are we pressing the money? No.
Why Gavin just go in there?
It's a trap. He didn't go in there. It sucks you in. Pause.
Put him back in. Cook him again.
No, we're not. No, I think isn't this one Rain?
Oh, is it? I don't
Wait,
know.
I don't. Oh no. The other one's Rain.
I'm carrying poop right now. I don't know.
We'll bring him back to life. Don't worry. You're dragging it all on the floor.
Yeah, well, I only got two hands, Lucas.
This shit is heavy. Literally, the shit is heavy.
That you delivered that like James Rolfe. That was like an AVG line.
This way, Mike. We're gonna have to leave
What
it
does
out,
he do?
otherwise
No.
it'll send it.
Oh yeah. He's trying to escape being revived. Get back in there.
What is this guy?
You're coming back to life, pal, whether you like it or not.
That's a treasure.
I just want to see what it did.
No.
No. You stay in there.
Oh. Whoa.
Is that oh, it's just art.
I need something to throw at it. I have to knock it down.
Throw yourself. I don't think it knocks down.
Oh!
Damn it.
When I was a kid, there was like at like the county fair, there was like one of those games where there were like rows of paper plate looking things, and you had to throw a ball and you had to hit two at the same time with one ball. And I didn't understand the rules of the game, but my dad paid the $5 for me to play it because I really wanted the prize, which was a giant Shadow the Hedgehog, and I threw the ball and it hit one. I thought I had multiple balls. I was like, easy game. So I just threw it directly at one plate, and then the guy went, okay, yeah, you lost, and then walked away. And my dad didn't say anything to me the rest of the day.
What happened?
What's happening?
I have a similar story. Funny enough, I was a child at the Jersey Shore, and there was a claw machine, one of those giant claw machines with giant plushies in it. And funny story, what I wanted to win was also a giant Shadow the Hedgehog.
What is up with that giant Shadow?
So I was like, to my mom, I'm like, oh my god, I want it so bad. And she spent so many quarters, like she's trying to get it. I don't know if my dad tried. She's like going to get change and stuff.
Yeah.
We tried so much. Other random people started like getting in. They were like seeing us sitting there trying for like maybe an hour, and like other random people were like, "Oh, I'll try to get it for them." They're spending their money.
Jesus.
It eventually ended with like we tried for so long that my mom just asked one of the arcade employees to come like just unlock the thing and get it, and he gave it to me, and I still have it to this day. Yeah, I'll never get rid of it.
Dude, I was thinking about that giant Shadow plush today, and I'm like, I bet I could go on eBay and buy that thing. But like,
it's in my closet. I could take a picture of it for you.
Please.
I'm like, my mom's always like, "What the fuck is that?"
Right.
Did you not just see that little child blowing the balloons?
It's a birthday party, dude. Don't be rude.
Oh.
Sing the birthday song.
Sorry.
Happy birthday, it's your birthday. The royalty-free one. Happy birthday, it's your birthday, it's your birthday.
He don't like it.
Well, hey, you know.
You pissed him off. But yeah, that's like one of my, because it's just so nostalgic for me, like I like can't, my mom's would always be like, as I kept growing up, like, don't you want to get rid of this thing? And I'm just like, I can't, like, it's it's so cool. Of course I can't just tell her, well, it's Shadow. I can't get rid of Shadow.
Yeah, your mom doesn't understand how cool Shadow the Hedgehog is. That's the problem.
Yeah. And there was a Sonic in there, but I wanted Shadow. I mean,
that year at the county fair, like they had giant ones of like, ow, 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 ow!
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday! It's your birthday!
Oh, I got him off you.
Go away,
I'm out of here. This clown is not doing another birthday party. I found the extraction. Oops. Yeah, I found the other extraction point. Should we what's that?
We should, I said, good. We should probably look at
yeah.
some of them. Where are the other two? Are they still alive?
I don't know if Lucas is. He was fighting with a small child when I ran away. And husband, I don't know if he's alive. I haven't seen him in a bit.
Oh no, I haven't stayed with him.
Oh.
Are they both alive?
Oh god.
Oh, there's a ton of shit up here.
Oh yeah? What is it?
Whoa. Whoa, that's a... Whoa, oh my god, I've been looking for one of these!
With the giant doll head?
Wait. No, look at this. It's still in the box. This is a limited edition.
Oh, Plinko.
Yeah, low Plinko. It's still in the box. Look at
Dude,
that.
that's mint. That is mint condition.
That is, oh shit.
Oh.
That's fine. It's just a. That's fine. It's still. No,
Oh.
well, no.
Oh.
You fucking kid. I'm gonna kill you. Oh man. Is that a gun? Okay.
That out of context, like hearing you scream you're gonna kill this kid and then just, is that a gun? Alright, I gotta get this in there. Just gotta wedge that in there.
Alright, I got the kid.
Nice.
Don't worry, he's dead.
Is Tommy still alive?
Oh, I don't know. Wait, maybe, was he up there? I'll go check. I'll go check.
Yeah, he was above us. Why is it quacking? I'll take you with you. Be safe with me, rubber ducky. Who the fuck is using clown emojis?
Hello.
You guys, oh, he
I
died.
got him. I got the
Okay.
baby.
Right, yeah.
Ah! Why? What?
I didn't mean to do that.
Why?
I didn't mean to.
I should not revive this man.
I'd like to point out that there's 3 exact extraction
Okay.
sites we could,
that
we
everybody?
could be revived. Please, yes, revive.
I think that's
Just
everybody.
put as much as you can on there. Just put it in the
Oh,
money
God.
bag.
They'll figure it out. They're smart kids.
All right, I'm gonna revive everyone.
Okay, there we go.
I think the golden shit's gonna get blown up.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Literally.
Did we get the
Yeah.
money for that, or did it just break?
Nope, it broke.
That's great.
God damn it.
There's another one. It'll be okay.
I did not mean to jump on the fire. I was not thinking.
Okay.
I forgot I have 1 HP and I just exploded.
It looked really intentional. I was like, I shouldn't revive this guy. What?
There's a little toy here.
Whoa.
What the hell?
Are you a ventriloquist?
What do you mean?
What the hell?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
Hey, do
Hello?
do like Jeff Dunham. Go ahead.
Jeff Dunham? I don't think you want me to do Jeff Dunham.
Yeah. Isn't like half of his bits are just insanely racist?
Yeah.
Please do not touch the money thing.
There's...
Do not touch the money thing, or I will shoot you. Oh shit!
Fuck,
Yeah,
dude!
oh,
Trigger
safety was off.
safety, dude. What the fuck?
Safety was off.
What is that? Whoa.
You got it. You got it. Okay, what if I move? If I put that there.
Hey, what's going on in the other room over there?
We bring it up. We bring it over. We bring it down. And we bring it down. Perfect. It's that easy. Rain, you okay? Oh, she's dead. Oh, she is dead. What the hell just happened? She was fine. She lived. I don't have room on my car. Hold on, I'll fit you on. There we go. Oh. That's true. You did. Nothing gets past you.
Hey, it looks like they died.
Yeah, we were just walking and then a fucking ghost swooped down from the skies and just pulped her.
Damn.
Oh.
They weren't alive for very long, were they?
No, Rain was alive for about, I think, about 25 seconds.
That's really funny. I mean, tragic.
Oh, I dropped that.
Do we want to pick that up, or?
I mean, you want to grab it? What the hell? Where's this? This is not the way to the extraction point. Where is that extraction point? I found it one time. What did I do? I'm your biggest supporter.
Sounds parasocial to me.
I literally, Rain, you were literally walking and that thing came out of nowhere and killed you. What could I have done? Oh, wait, that's not the extraction point that we activated? Dived in front of you to be taken by the ghost. Rubber duck.
Yes.
Where's this new extraction point? Oh. Hello, buddy. I got you. I think my cart is just filled with corpses. Oops. Okay, where's the second extraction point then? We didn't do the one that I found. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's just an item.
It literally attached to
You don't even have time to react to that.
I walked through the door and it was just like, you're fucked.
You can't live without it.
Literally,
You really
like,
can't.
I was right behind you, and I just watched that thing just whoosh down from the
Well, it's just
ceiling
like
and kill you.
You're holding on to this little puppet. You're speaking through it. You know, it's like we're not even really speaking
I
to
don't know why
Kelly
it's doing
anymore. We're speaking to your little puppet friend. But you know, I think it's important for you to know that we like Pelly too. We don't only like
We
the
should
puppet.
try and get this
we
golden
accept
shit
Pelly as
into
well.
the cart.
Yeah.
You'll be able to, bud. You'll be able to. I think you're more capable than you realize.
I think you're not understanding how uncomfortable this experience is. That I can't speak, use my own damn mouth, and this thing's stuck to my arm. I'm terrified.
I know, but all you gotta do is just put it into the laser and you'll be free.
I'm on goddamn death's door here.
It's far enough away from you that you won't die.
That's gonna kill me. It's gonna cut off my arm, and I'm gonna bleed out.
We are down a couple people, so if we could revive with this.
Well, then we can revive you right there. We'll be able to revive you right there.
Death is not pleasant. I don't want to die.
Well, you know, think of it more like a metaphor. You know, you're gonna be reborn like a beautiful butterfly.
Did something happen over there?
Um,
Are they dead?
No, I'm sure they're fine. Oh,
Guys, that's not a good enemy. And we're
No.
kind of in a corner here,
um,
and it's coming right at me.
why don't? Can you do me a favor and hide?
Hiding doesn't work against this guy.
Should I shoot him?
You might be able
Should
to.
Should I fucking shoot him?
Okay, he just did his thing. Now's your chance. The best chance you're gonna get. He's not dying.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's like Resident Evil. He's taking every bullet. The kid was so much easier
Oh
to
my
kill.
God,
Oh,
you
I
got
got him! I got him! Did someone die?
Well done.
Oh, okay. Where's Tommy? Where's Tommy?
Tommy? Tommy, we got the guy. You can come down now. It's okay. Tommy?
Where is he?
I don't see him up here.
God damn it. Where the hell is he?
Did he give him a slip? What, a clap?
I don't think he gave him the clap. I don't think that happened. Tommy, where are you, bud?
Tommy?
Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? Didn't we just spend the past 7 minutes going over what's wrong with me? You have the audacity to say that to my face?
I'm not even saying it to your face. I'm saying it to the fake you. Get that thing out of here.
I don't know, we need to, like, get to a doctor.
We don't need a doc. You need a mental health professional, is what you need.
Okay, can we get to a mental health professional then? I don't think the company covers that.
You gotta let go of the thing. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go.
Tommy, what happened?
Let it go. So many of my friends died here.
I don't know.
You can.
I think he died.
It's just
Listen,
fucking you and
maybe-
me. Tommy's gone!
Maybe Tommy will
that
come
makes sense.
back if he hears his good friend Pelly calling out for him and not Pelly Puppet.
Tommy! I think we gotta just like, where the hell could he have gone?
I don't know, but I Wait, where actually is his head though?
I don't know where, who's the other fella?
Mr. Rain?
Mr. Rain? I don't know where he ran off to either. Something's coming at me out of the fog.
It's scary. I'm trying to save people. There's one more over there, back there, I think. I don't know who this is, but there's another one back there, I'm pretty sure.
What the fuck is that? I have a gun.
You still have the gun?
And I'm not afraid to use it. Hey, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little afraid to
That's
use
the
it.
best sentence I've ever heard in my life.
What is that? Whoa. I don't think this thing will... It feels like bullets will go right through it. I mean, it's worth a shot. Get it? Oh.
Did you get him?
I shot him and he disappeared. Okay. Oh no, 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 oh no, oh no. Okay. Game was fun. Okay, where are the rest of the heads? Uh-oh. Okay. Next time I will not shoot the thing.
Just so it was magic.
Okay. Is there any more?
I think there's one more.
Oh. The card is speaking to me. Interesting. Yeah, okay, there's also a giant fucking specter over you.
You're dead.
Oh my god, okay. Alright, I got the last one.
Oh,
I
thanks.
think. I think it's the last one. Shut up in there! Shut up! Okay. I think we should bring them back.
Alright, let's do it. Let's bring them back with the shit, because that's funny.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, perfect.
Let's bring him back with this
It's a perfect
shit.
metaphor
That's
for
funny.
decay bringing about new life. Oh, look at that braid. Hey, welcome back.
I stayed dead?
Oh wait, where's Mikey?
Hey you!
They left me to die?
Oh, is he still dead?
I don't want you to know.
I just don't want you to die instantly.
Hey, Pelly, how you feeling? Oh, it's the cart laser.
Do you want to test it out?
Do not. Let's not test it out in a crowded room.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, I think we might have missed Mikey.
Ah, shit.
Oh fuck! Wait till he's cool as hell.
I'm sorry, Mikey. If you're, I'm sorry.
Get on.
Where am I? You left me to die! You guys left me! Get me out of here!
No.
You fuckers left me.
I'm sorry. I did not know. I thought we got all the heads.
This is a tragedy.
I didn't know where your head was.
It's in a little mini cart that Tommy has put stuff on top of. He heard me screaming and he put stuff on top of it to hide me.
Oh. Oh, sorry. I was kind of dealing with Pelly doing a bit where he can't stop talking through a fucking puppet.
Yeah, no, I saw. We all sat here and watched you guys do a 12-minute long bit.
I didn't know y'all were dead. I thought like, oh, I'm talking to Pelly. But was it funny?
Yeah, it was funny.
Okay, good. What I'm here for, to entertain the people. Let's see. Okay, I wanna. Oh, hey, Fred. Kill you?
I don't want to live like this. You gotta kill me. You gotta put me out of my misery. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
No. I want him to suffer.
Hang on, I gotta get the damn... I gotta get the money bag to the back here. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Can I get the gun to the front? Yeah, alright, we're back in business.
I think it even has a little bit of ammo in the thing too. There's like a little flare in there. You use to recharge it if you need to.
Oh, I see.
I'm not sure how it works, but I think that's the impression I got when I held them next to each other.
Looks like it's fully loaded.
Can I put the head back in?
If
Yeah.
it'll fit.
Is that? Oh
Yeah.
shit!
Yeah, I think that's following you, Rain. I think it's specifically following. Oh no, it's jumping now.
Okay, alright.
Oh.
It doesn't like when you pop his balloons.
Oh no! Oh
Alright,
no!
Tommy died a hero.
Rude.
Ew, he just jumped out of my line of fire.
Where's the gun? Y'all gotta use the gun.
Oh, he's gone.
I don't know where the gun is.
So the next time we pop a damn balloon.
Alright,
My gun.
Tommy died for nothing. But the balloons are also in the way.
Just get my gun and shoot that child.
Does anyone have his gun?
This thing said without context. I'm pretty sure that the gun hit me in the dick a while back.
I can't believe they would leave my gun.
Where did you Where did your gun drop at?
I don't know. I mean, everything kind of exploded at that one time.
Oh, I see. I see where it is. He's almost got it.
Ellie just... Now the big guy's probably gonna respawn. Jesus Christ!
I was right. It was in the same spot where I got hit in the dick.
What?
Run. Run. Run.
Bring him around. This is the only way we can make quota now.
Now the
You
big
son
guy
of a
came
bitch.
back because Pelly destroyed the...
You killed my
the
friends.
souls.
This thing rules.
Sweet.
Alright, we have to be very delicate with this final orb.
Which
There's
one?
also that China set.
This one right here. Bring the cart.
We need the cart.
Bringing the cart around the corner. Oh yeah, we got it.
No, no.
There's a China set that we might be able to get back here too, if we want to. It's gonna be a pain.
We could just take this stuff out of the cart and try to get it in the cart. What are we working with here?
You alright?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my
no.
god.
Did it just
We
break
still have
completely?
enough because we have this orb.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
if as long as we don't fuck up this China set, it's worth like 10k still. More, I think, actually.
Will you fit it with the gun in there?
I don't know.
I think 2 people can carry, but we might want to take the gun cart just because monsters.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll figure it out.
Where the heck was Mike's head? I haven't seen it on the
No,
map
it's
at
in
all.
the small cart in the next extraction
Oh,
point.
okay.
Oh wow, nobody grabbed that cash.
Let me grab it real quick.
Yeah, you should do that. Please
Do
don't.
you want me to?
No.
Yeah, I want to see what happens.
Just a little experimentation time.
Yeah, we wouldn't know.
Oh no! Guys, I can't aim up. This might be it for me.
I found the gun earlier, but then I promptly lost it.
I almost just blast.
It's up on like the top level. It might not bother us? Maybe?
Somebody could go in and shoot it with this gun.
How much ammo? A little bit.
Okay, I took one for the team. I'm alive, but barely. Holy shit.
I'm on the 50 if it comes back.
Okay,
It's worth 8k still.
Well,
I understand now because, yeah, we kind of needed to grab it by either end.
well, we need to take all the stuff off of it, kind of. Oh.
The kid's back.
Think it's staying? Let's see if that worked. I do think it'd been okay if we'd have grabbed it by like either end maybe, but I don't know. I think that's the first thing that kind of fell apart so easily.
Little baby boy, we're gonna move right past you, okay? I'm not touching your balloons. Do I do it? Oh! Please don't jump on the fine china. Don't do that. What are you doing? Okay. No balloons. Did I see something in there? Yeah, there's something right there. It's him.
I got it. Yep, just move around, and then I'll let you take it over because this is the weak side of the cart.
Okay, as long as I think we're in the clear.
Yeah.
It looks like he just stays in that room.
Yep, let's just go.
Oh, the baby head's still here.
Don't we better just, I think, first take it up there? But we can't put it on the thingy. Wait. You're muted.
Sorry, it's trying to pull me.
Nope.
I got moved in time.
Okay.
And then I fell.
Nope. It's okay because now it's not enough.
That worked out perfectly, damn it. Fuck.
Okay, we're fine. We're fine as long as this final piece doesn't break. Do we have to get the gun to the extract now to keep it?
Maybe?
Oh, we're back.
Hello.
Oh, I can play the video game for the first time in 7 hours.
Right?
What? You're acting like you're the streamer or something.
Yeah, isn't that thank God for all this good content.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
The big guy's also coming back. We do have to... We gotta fucking move.
Go.
Did everybody?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, thing's cool
No,
as hell.
get
If
back
anybody
here,
else
get
wants to
back
do it.
here.
Goodbye, everyone.
No. What? Jeez. Hey, be careful with that thing. Be careful with that thing.
Oh!
Someone tossed me in the ceiling.
I don't know what tumble climb is, but I'm gonna figure out.
It's whenever you tumble and climb up.
Uh-huh. And how do you do that? Go ahead. Tell me exactly
Probably with
which
the Q
buttons
button.
on the keyboard. Oh, the Q button?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I'm here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's nice up here.
Probably. Do we need? What does this do? Like, is it going to do major?
Shoot me. Let's find out.
Well,
That didn't damage me at all.
oh, so it's just like a stun
stun
gun
gun,
kind
yeah.
of deal? Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so that's
bad,
not
though.
worth it.
I miss my gun.
Me when I have to
we
leave
can get
America.
a sword.
Sword ain't the same.
Oh, Theo. Oh, I'm sorry, Theo. I didn't see it out there.
Whoa!
You're fine.
Chill!
Oops, I thought I hit the mute button. My bad. My kitty cat.
Whoa.
Jesus, he's gone mad. He's
Are
gone
we
mad.
good? Everyone good? Are we buying?
I'm good. I'm being tagged. What is that? Oh.
It's just Rain shitting.
Rain, you alright?
Fine.
You need help?
No.
Whoa.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry
You're
about
blowing the
Sure?
doors off of the thing.
The building is shaking.
Wait, I threw a grenade in there.
What the fuck?
What is
What
wrong
are we
with you
doing?
people?
Stop it! Let go of it! Let go of it! They're madmen. Oh, we're forcing game start. We're forcing game start. Tommy, what did I do to you? What did I do to you to deserve it? What did I do?
I didn't know that was an option.
Oh yeah.
What the heck? Where did the gun go? It's not in my inventory.
I don't how
I guess someone dropped it and we just never got it back.
how I recharge my.
Well, no, I
Liberty.
had it on the ship, and you don't have an inventory in the shop, and now it's just gone.
Oh. You didn't have it in your inventory in the ship, or?
I had it in my inventory in the ship.
Oh. Oh, I don't know. Did we get the gun from one of those pumpkin things? Maybe it only lasts for one round.
I think
I don't know.
I got it from one of the pumpkins, so yeah, I think it just lasts.
Okay. Oh, all right. All right. Well,
Did we also get the
There's still a
laser gun
stamina
from the
upgrade.
pumpkin?
Yes.
Probably.
There's a frying pan over here.
Does anybody need this health pack?
no.
Nah, I'm gonna die. That's all.
Already going once. Going twice. I'm healed.
What does? How do I tumble climb? What could that be?
Yes. We're in a banner.
What the heck?
What?
What the fuck?
Crescent Moon. What's this do? The truck healer now restores 35 health. Monsters now harder to knock down with valuables.
What?
Okay, we've made it to basically the next stage.
We've made it to the game.
Uh oh. I've never seen that before.
We've never gotten this far before.
What is this? Anything good?
No, I mean it must be new with this
Whoa.
update. Like I've.
The mine's alright. Well, this place is
old
pretty
Headman
big.
Manor. That's Headman.
Look, Uncle Fester.
That's Headman.
Oh, that's Uncle Fester. Gabby.
Lucas.
Yeah. Oh, come on. What did I ever do to you? What did I ever do?
Oh fuck. Oh, it's just a plate.
I keep forgetting I have it on push.
Uranium. Oops. Oops.
Oh. Oh. So if you ever ask me a question and I'm silent, it's probably because I fucking forgot to put the damn button. Okay, I'll remember that. Ooh. Wait, did I drop the frying pan on me?
Everyone shut up.
Pan is again something that
Everyone in chat, shut up.
was from a pumpkin. Hello? Hello? I mean, oh god. Okay, wait.
We're fine.
I mean, at this rate, we might as well just bring it to the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the mini cart.
I dropped it, I'm sorry.
Oh.
I think everyone's died. The bit doesn't work if everyone dies before they find you.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, what happened? Oh, what is that? I'll shoot you. Oh. You died? Oh, God. Yeah, no, I'm leaving.
Right, very gently.
That's what I was talking about.
We're gonna take this.
No gentle.
No, we got it.
You're gonna die.
I don't think I should go in there.
Nah, you should.
Bad.
Oh, whoa. I got him.
All right, we got that. Yes, we've got no bananas. Shit. We're ready on that. I like bananas because they have no bones.
Oh, yeah, get him with the mine. Yeah. What? No. Oh, it wasn't armed in time. Uh-oh.
Oh, my duck fucked up.
Tommy, did you step on your own mine?
Duck, what are you doing, dude?
Go get him, Duck.
Get him, Duck.
Uh-oh.
A duck! No. I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna die.
Come back.
The
Wait,
duck
do we have
is
a recharge thing?
Yeah, there should. Oh! Oh no!
Stay alive!
I'm trying!
I'm coming back with the heavy artillery.
Oh, he died.
Yeah!
Oh, you got him. Oh, wait. He's not done yet.
Yo, well, wait.
He's got one orb.
Left.
Oh!
No! Are you dead? Oh, no, you're alive.
Barely. I got 1 HP
wow,
left.
Wow, he genuinely took out, like,
So much value.
Oh, man. No, Ducky? I hear you, Ducky. Ducky! There you are, Ducky! Come here, boy. You tried, and that's all that matters. We're proud of you. What's happening?
Frickin' Pelly's trying to jump his little head outside of the fire thing.
What is it? Oh.
I mean, hey, Pelly, if you want to live the way I did, we'll just not revive you, bud. You could just sit in spectator mode for half an hour watching everyone else play. We'll just leave you there. You enjoy that.
There's someone die and leave the cart here? I don't know.
Last I saw Gavin was with the cart, so maybe he died.
No, I just saw him.
I like bananas because they have no bones.
No, we're not. You guys are getting revived. We're not. Stop jumping as a thing.
I say let him.
No, we're reviving them. What? No, you're gonna what?
No, leave her there.
Letting
no,
you're
teach
not
her a
letting
lesson.
Rain
She can stay
dead.
there.
Oh no.
Okay.
I say we cash in because we got 2 more things to hit.
Yeah, that's fine. I like bananas because they have no bones. Ooh, a save.
What? No, we are
bringing everyone back.
I mean, if you want to make that call, I won't stop you.
Could someone tell them
making
that
that
I
call.
died, please, before they revive everyone?
Do not resuscitate claws here. Wait, oh what? Oh no. Okay. All right. Sit there. Oh my god! All right, I'll go find him. Oh, there he is.
Help me!
Yes, I got you.
I
Pal.
dropped. I
got
found a
you. I got you. All right. All right, now we can bring everybody back.
Let's go.
Do not try to jump out. Do not try to jump out.
You didn't ask for this.
Yeah, Rain, I thought whenever you said I didn't ask to be revived, I thought you were going to say I didn't ask to be born.
Yeah.
Hey, don't worry. I got the plasma pistol.
Oh, wait. I lost my ducky.
Yeah, I saw it. That was rad as hell.
It's over there by the under the bed.
Okay. Ducky! Woo! Oh,
where'd the mini cart go?
It's over here.
Oh, he needs a battery. Oh, do I like climb on the ceiling when I tumble? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're out of battery juice. Uh-oh. Hey, Ducky, come here. We'll get you charged up, bud. Hi, Kirby. I'm my good friend Kirby, who I love so much. The fuck was that? You know, I could turn my webcam on. I could turn that back on. I'm not eating anymore. I haven't been eating for a bit. I am drinking, though. I think I'm in a completely different part of the house than literally anyone else. Oh! Hey, cool bow tie, though. It's Kirby! Wait, did you see that? He sucketh! I died.
Yeah.
There's a big Kirby monster.
A big Kirby monster.
Yeah,
oh, the
there's...
one that blows?
Oh, I thought he sucketh. Does he... I don't know.
I got blown.
Maybe he blows, yeah. Oh! Hi, Rain.
Where did that hole come from?
The ground. There's a booby trap.
Oh well, I'm not getting revived from that.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna find. Well, they found my ducky, so maybe they'll find my corpse.
You know what this means, though?
What?
Breadstick.
I did not hear that.
Breadstick.
Oh, well, yeah. Okay, well, yeah.
Bye. And letting the dogs outside.
Damn, all of the streamers are dead. They should just end the round. This is like a contentless round. They should just give
this is
up.
pretty cringe.
Yeah.
Pretty cringe. I'm gonna DM Lucas right now and tell him to go live on Twitch.
Yeah, well, go ahead. Just like clip this and put this on like live stream fails. When's the last time you've looked at r/live stream fails?
Actually, I go there pretty often. It's actually miserable. I don't recommend it at all.
Yeah.
It's got to be some of the worst people on the internet. That's not true, but it's really miserable there.
I don't think I've been there in like a year plus.
I haven't seen any long.
It's not worth visiting.
I mean, I just don't even know like I don't even know like what streamers are anymore, man. I watch a bunch of streams, but it's all like, hey guys, today we're playing Spy Hunter on the NES. This is gonna be a 12-hour stream of me trying to beat this. And I'm like, fuck yeah, I'm locking in for this. I want to watch this. So I'm not watching not watching like, you know. Who's like the #1 streamer right now?
Was that the #1 streamer?
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Who's the #1 streamer?
Probably like
I appreciate that very much.
Either like Speed or Kai or some like maybe a Spanish speaking streamer. I don't know.
Oh yeah, okay, all right. That's fair. I do know them. I don't watch them, but I do know them. Okay. When is Tylenol PM Gaming gonna be the #1 streamer?
What the hell are you talking about?
Okay, this guy doesn't watch Tylenol PM Gaming.
I don't know. I've been following his rise too, but I think when he said, "Did you see like the stream from the other night?" Because it might be over. It might be over.
No, no. What did he say? I just spent $300 on merch. What do you mean? What did he say?
I can't. You're gonna have to check LSF for that.
I'm not going there. I'm just gonna continue to pretend he's a good guy.
Okay.
I'll choose to stay uninformed. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that's admirable.
Well, that seems irresponsible. You ought to know. If you like the guy, you ought to know.
Well, I mean...
Well, he likes the guy because he doesn't know. I mean, if he knows, then he's just gonna like ruin his own day.
Yeah, then I'm not
Well,
gonna
now
like
it's
the guy.
built on a false pretense. How can you say you like the guy when you're ignoring an entire side to him?
Well, let me ask you. Do you like me?
We could go ahead and revive
Let's
everybody
not stray off topic. Let's not stray off topic.
I'm gonna see if there's one more big item, and then we will.
That was really funny that when you said that and there's a dead silence, both of the little repo heads looked up at you and just kind of like stared at you.
Let's not get off topic. Oh, Tommy's really close to finding where I died. Oh, and he's gonna fuck with the painting instead. Perfect. Perfect.
You gotta phrase it differently. You gotta phrase it, do you hate me?
Do you hate me?
You gotta say it with that inflection, though. Do you hate me?
Answer truthfully. Do you hate me?
Oh man, Tommy's really messing this up. Oh no.
I'm sorry you had to find out this way.
That's fine. I'm used to this.
That guy, man. Hey guys, this game is awesome, right?
You know, I was
Let's
having
get
fun
Repo
until
in
about
chat.
45 seconds ago.
Let's get a Repo hype train in the chat. Any chat, any one of them.
My chat. I deserve the
Any
hype train.
Let's get a Repo. Everyone
Do
type
it.
W Repo, please. Woo.
Imagine.
This guy just gave me 15 subs to unmod Lucas. All right.
What the hell? Dude, I just got gifted 50 subs to publicly dox Lucas.
Wait. Okay, I don't hate you. I don't hate you. Oh, Tommy found me. What? Where is he bringing me?
Hey, can somebody come up here and help me?
The extraction is literally right next to my body. Farther.
I don't know what's wrong with me that, like, I said I deserve the hype train, and that's, like, really funny to me. Just someone being like, I deserve the hype train in my chat.
Now I would love to go to like a really big streamer's chat and like they get a hype train, and then just like donate so I get an alert and be like, hey everybody, let's bring that hype train over to twitch.tv/funny little guy. Let's keep it going.
Let's keep it going, guys.
Sup Ninja, big, first time, long time. Let's keep that hype train going at twitch.tv/funny little guy. Also, please refund this donation to me. I need it for groceries.
I wasn't paying attention. I don't know which way I need to go.
Keep going.
Oh my god, they're going. Tommy was right next to where the extraction was, and he's going further from it. What is that little thing he has? That red thing.
That's the indestructible drone, and
Oh, no,
it
they're
looks
there.
like it makes things not take damage.
Oh.
So that thing's kind of like, that kind of goes hard.
What if I just put it on myself?
Oh, that's crazy. You fell down a hole.
I want to.
Yeah.
One died.
You know what's crazy about that hole?
Rain's husband died.
It's really easy to fall in, it looks like.
Yeah, it's really easy to fall into.
Kind of wishing I hadn't fallen in the hole now.
That specific one, I was watching you and I was like, fall in.
Oh, up here, there's a ton of vases.
That's rude. I would have warned you, maybe.
No, you wouldn't have.
I probably would have.
You would have been
I don't know
dead.
how valuable it
I
is.
probably would have warned you.
Probably dead. Oh my lord. This is all expensive stuff. Well, let's just go get them revived.
Wait.
Yeah.
I don't see her husband's dead. Oh wait.
Why is he so fast?
So that's 1, 2, 3.
Only 4.
Oh yeah, I think it's all of them.
Well, there's 7 of us. I haven't seen. Let's just revive, and I feel bad if we don't get the last person, but I'm not gonna spend forever looking.
Wait.
Fuck.
I better be on there. I'm gonna go crazy if I'm not on
I
that.
think you are. Isn't that your head right there in the card?
I think my husband's not, because I think he's still in the hole.
Oh.
That's okay though. I'm
Yeah, I
not
guess.
that worried about it.
Are you sure that there's 7 of us?
I spend a lot of time alive.
I haven't been paying attention.
You know, that's a positive way of looking at it.
Lucas.
Not worried about death. I've spent a lot of time alive.
Husband, myself, you.
Damn.
We just need more old people to adopt that mentality.
Yeah.
I'll be a trendsetter.
Can we hop out at last minute?
Yeah, if you
Why
want
do you
to,
people
you want to be
wanna do
stuck
that?
spectating, go ahead.
I think it would be funny.
Wait, I found
And I want to see if we can do. Oh, never mind.
You invited me to come play. You can't spend the whole time dead.
Why not?
It's like inviting someone to a party and then going to talk to other people.
Yeah.
Be back into the painful. No.
Damn it. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hello.
Hey, I know where the other one is. I was at it earlier and I put some treasure there.
You're not allowed.
You're not allowed.
Still trying to figure out what the hell Tumble Climb upgrade did.
Have you tried clump?
Uh-huh.
Have you tried that?
You got it.
Have you tried?
Oh, Ducky.
Clumble timing.
Oh, sorry, I just stole the Ducky.
No, it was somebody else's duck. I just picked it up.
Is that what it is? No, I don't think that's what it is.
No.
I thought maybe I like climb on the ceiling. Ah.
Well, I told you I spent enough time alive.
Yeah, but I've spent more time dead. I'd like to try staying alive.
Oh.
right. I'll hunt
God.
you next time. No, I have no idea what even got me. I walked into the room just dead.
Yeah, there's this big like Kirby looking guy who like blows, and if he hits you with his air, you just die. So that's what it was.
Damn.
I wonder if there's an upgrade that lets you come back at like more than 1 HP.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Or even like a mod. Like you come back at a quarter of your HP or something. That'd be cool.
Yeah, we could look for that. If that's
He's
not
coming
already in the
upstairs.
game, that would be a really nice upgrade.
He's falling down the stair.
Ducky!
I'm just surprised I actually found your body at the end.
Oh, thank you, by the way. I do appreciate it. Sorry I squandered your effort.
Oh, husband.
Oh no. everyone else? Where's everyone else?
Probably did.
Oh, don't say that. You might be alive. I'm not going over here.
Nice and gentle.
I think after this, I'm gonna have to call it a night. I'm fading fast.
No, you'll stay.
But I'm. Listen.
That's called? That's like peer pressure?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh.
Rest is important to the continuation of a sane brain.
I already did my 9 to 5 today. I mean, boss did let us leave early though.
That's nice.
Yeah, we had a
That's
whole
nice on a
Halloween
Friday.
thing. Yeah, a whole Halloween
Don't
party.
touch the doll.
No,
The doll seems bad.
What gave it away? The screaming or the violent shaking of the doll?
Well, neither. She was just kind of laying there, and I was like, I can pick her up.
Oh, it didn't. Whenever I picked it up, it was screaming at me, and so I put it down.
I only had 1 HP, so her existence fucked me.
Welcome to the club.
What is that?
Oh my god, no.
The sigh.
Oh no!
Oh my god, no.
Oh my gosh, there's so many Oh, Jesus.
That same thing killed me twice.
I got killed by fucking wind.
By wind?
I mean, I'm sorry.
I think that's what killed me. The guy farted or something.
What?
Oh wait, is it just Pelly?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
me.
Okay,
He's
well,
got this.
we had a pretty good run.
He only has like 1 HP. Goodbye.
Man, I hope someone else is still alive out there.
Okay.
Yeah, what's going on?
Everyone is dead except for you.
Oh, that's really awkward, guys. We do not have nearly enough money.
Yeah.
And I don't think I'm strong enough. Wait, okay, hang on. There might be a play here. But also that doll might just kill me. Oh, wait, there's enough stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
geez, I spent all this time putting all this stuff over there.
Is it gonna be enough?
It should be. We just gotta run back. What? Yes, please take the big card.
All right. Where'd that cart go?
Why do you only throw my head down the stairs? Everybody else gets the cart. Wow, okay.
How many do we have here? This is 3. 4, 5, 6. Get back here, you little bastard. Holy moly.
I didn't mean to clear it.
Oh man.
Oh, come
my
on.
God.
Oh!
There you go, there you go, there you go.
No!
Get in. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna work. I gotta figure out how to do this. There. We're gonna get you guys out of here. We're not done yet.
Damn. Maybe next time.
Whoa.
Wow, yeah.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
I'm gonna put the small cart in the big cart. We're gonna cart max so hard right now. Actually, I feel like this is cart minimizing because we have less cart space now, but it's a really good idea. Don't worry about it.
Get him. Get him. You missed.
Oh.
Got like one shot left. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. I don't think.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Scatter. Scatter.
We gotta get that energy crystal.
Jump in.
Close the lid!
Alright, I'll flush you down. Go on, get out of here.
See you in the sewers, boys!
I think that's the only stairway out of.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Uh-oh.
We genuinely just have to wait for them to leave.
Hold on, I've got an idea.
Okay. No, get that thing away from me.
Ow!
Who died? No.
It's coming this way!
Get that thing away from me.
All I do is die.
No!
This is fucked.
Tommy, what are you doing, bud?
I'm trying to get out of this box.
Oh my, I didn't even see him.
The weapons are in the courtyard.
It's the
Your mic's
weapon.
off.
Hello.
There's one. No.
Son of a gun.
No. No, no, no.
Oh, I think they should just leave.
You all right?
I don't think he's okay. I think. Do we go?
I think they should just leave.
The gun,
Yeah.
the gun, it's right there.
You're muted.
Hey, oh, oops, I dropped you in the bucket. Is everyone dead?
I gotta wait my energy here.
Get the gun and leave. Get the gun and leave.
Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Is it in the? There's a cart, right?
Please, that's right. Please, Rain, please,
I had to-
please,
this
Rain.
fucking cart. Shit. Oh,
Wait,
there's
is
the
this
gun.
it? Wait, the pulse
Oh.
pistol. I got it.
She got the gun. She got the gun.
Is this it?
I don't think
Where
we're
do I
gonna
take
keep it anyway,
Where
though.
do I put it?
Like,
Oh,
I
is
have
that
it in my
a-
pocket. Yep, I got it.
Was that a
I got it.
I don't know.
I
if
think
we
it
can
was from a
grab- do we have to
pumpkin
grab
because
the
we didn't
cart?
buy it.
Oh.
No,
Oh,
the
okay.
carts are no.
Okay. Well, I wish I hadn't spent time grabbing the cart at all. Alright, I guess if we go, we go.
Hold.
Oh no, they're so fucked.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. He won't come all the way in. Just wait for him to turn around.
You got it.
Oh.
Not yet. Not yet.
What happened to he won't come all the way in?
He doesn't normally come all the way in.
No, that's unfortunate.
Okay. She's gotta go hit the thing.
That was my fault. My finger.
We
Good
made
job,
it.
guys. We survived.
Yeah, more or less.
All right, guys. I think I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's pretty late. Past my bedtime.
Yes.
So
I think I'm
will,
the same too. I'm very tired.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. I got work in.
Do we want to buy stuff? And then we can save after to buy.
Shotgun.
Hey, whoa, be careful with that thing. Do not point it right at me.
Hey, what does the shotgun do? It aims into the crowd.
I say, be careful with that thing, and he looks right at me. Stop it! Leave me alone.
It's not hurting you.
I'll buy Warhammer 3, I promise.
Nah, you don't need to do that. I think the sale's over. I don't know if that's your kind. I don't know if you're into 4Xs.
I am.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, but
do we want to buy that?
I just don't like you guys. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bud.
It's 46 grand.
So would it be good to get this photon blaster?
I think it's just too expensive, personally.
Okay.
I think it's cool as hell, but we also don't have any energy to like recharge anything.
I miss my ducky. That's the only friend I've ever had.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I fucked up. Okay.
Oops.
Here.
Oops. Oops.
Hi, Zoe.
I miss my ducky.
Get a ducky.
There is no ducky
Alright,
for
is
sale.
that everyone? Come on. Is there 4 dead?
Yeah, I think so. Dude, why'd you make me do that? That's fucked up. What?
Got a loose trigger. Watch out.
Oh my god. I'm okay. I'm getting in the vehicle. Oh, you can double jump?
Yeah, I got a double jump upgrade.
Oh. That was cool as hell.
How's it going? Oh.
I thought you died. I saw like
No.
smoke coming out of the fucking Eggman car. I thought you got vaporized.
You got it.
All right, so who's it? What are we starting now? 24 hours Phasmophobia starting now?
No.
What?
Yeah. Did you guys not read what you agreed to do tonight? It was 3 hours of Repo, and then 24 hours of Phasmophobia, and then 16 hours of okay, everyone's just killing themselves as I'm talking. That's kind of fucked up, guys.
Just be used to it.
Alright. Okay. Alright. That's alright. That's fine. Quit. Alright, well, I honestly could have kept going because, I don't know. With, like, Repo's fun. One, I feel like I did not really see anything new. Supposedly all this new content, I do not feel like I saw very much new stuff. But Repo's, like, fun, but Repo Repo's like paced weird for someone who like cosmic rule of funny dictates you will die immediately. Repo is not one that I love. Lethal Company, I feel like I die and then a round is over in about 5 minutes. Repo, that round where everyone got revived but me, and I just sat there and watched everyone play, that was like, that made me want to bite a hole in my desk. Like, Repo's a very, like, strangely paced game, and I don't find it as funny as Lethal Company. Like, it's weird. Like, I don't think it's inherently bad. I think it's a good game. In some ways, it's even better than Lethal Company, but I find myself enjoying Lethal Company more. And I think a lot of that comes down to the pacing of when you die. Lethal Company, if you're dead, you're not dead for long. Repo, I feel like I die instantly. And then I spend 20 minutes watching other people play the game. Does that make sense? Like, it's good.
RainingColdFire and 3 viewers just showed up at my house.
I prefer Lethal Company to Repo. Because I spend so much time in Repo waiting for the revive and the round to start again so I can actually play and do a new bit. Whereas Lethal Company is like, yeah, the timer's going to go off in like 5 minutes. So, hi, Raid. Thank you for the raid. How are you? But that was fun. It was a good time. It was a good time. Next up, we got Peak Update and or RV there yet, if we can find a time that works for Killa. Sonic Rumble. Yeah, I mean, Sonic Rumble is out Wednesday. And then when's the Peak Update out? Thursday? Or is it also out on Wednesday? And then RV there yet, which I'm excited about. I don't know. And I think tomorrow I'm going to look into Minecraft mods and stuff, because I do want to run a modded Minecraft server. Yeah. Next week there's going to be another fucking Sonic Racing Festival. And it's the Yakuza one. So I like kind of want to do it to get the stuff. But I'm like, dude, I'm kind of like burnt on that game at this point. I'm like, I am kind of bored as fuck. I don't know. Power Wash Sim 2. Yeah, I'll be sitting that one out, brother. No thanks on that one. Give me the loop on Minecraft. I will. Tomorrow my plan is to look at mod packs. And see if I can find, a Tech It or a Feed the Beast or that kind of thing that interests me. Tech It SMP mod pack. Put that in the Barcade admins chat so I remember. Please. All right. Well, that's the stream. Is Pelly's done? I literally just watched him go offline. I'm done. I'm going to go play Stardew Valley for a little bit, and then I'm going to go sleep. So good. Ooh, so good. All right, join late. No, you're fine, man. Hey man, it's Halloween. You did the right thing by giving out candy to kids. Legitimately, you're a real one for that. Hope you had fun. I did have fun. As much as I want to bitch about Repo compared to Lethal Company, I do like Repo. I do have fun with it. I just feel like I'm fighting the game sometimes. But all right, and now let's end with one last Halloween trick. Okay. Here we go. And one last. Here we go. One last Halloween. One last Halloween trick or treat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me some good to eat. And I want you to smell my feet. And I want you to smell my feet. And I want you to smell my feet. My mouse just died. I can't end the stream. Chat, I can't end the stream. My mouse just died. Oh, it's back. It's back. It's back. I'm out.